Jimmy, Shimene, Yomadomo na ita, mi wala bia mi fe, minako, jalo keseshi, mi pa tani ambeyo.
Anidaso Wɔhɔ.
Ejomona ni woyone, yongwa bachoto na pesha pole, ehawoya sheshi kokoro, numa wako, wanuma wako.
1 minute after 6 a.m. here on the biggest breakfast show, Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia. Beautiful song coming from Jane and Ben. It says they call this one Yuma Woko. And it's time for sports. I go to Yamon Sam, I go Pramason Sam. And I brother not paying something in your crowd. I feel some. And I fear man on Sam in your crowd. And my man, your man, Bismarck, who said up here, what's not said. Johnny live on Facebook, live on YouTube, also, bra. As I not pay sports, no, evidence based presentation. And what they better want. One story, one video. Bismarck, what's not said. Maybe I'm a female man, a crab, and after not pay 1 fan, 7 million, and be there to for what's your deal? 106.9. Man, busy. Atinase. Bismarck, good morning.
Mr. Hitman, good morning.
I don't pay what to say.
Yes, I don't know what
I said until me intention. Upon now they are two homes. A secret doors on so. Yeah, traffic kunje was. Now one for so doors. Tell me to say. Sometimes I understand you. As I may train one now they are two home, but it's all good. Nina. But say be about call here. And that bena Wafcon so a chassis.
Wafcon.
This
man they are 20s.
Oh, Busumi ba.
Yes, Busumi
na Black Queens for no. Besi akan.
Ya show him.
O hwem say.
Dey na call. Say wona. Dey be kan ye.
Debi.
Dey be kan ye tie.
Wo dem asuo densu. Ye be kan ho asem. Bibia di ho. Say the asuo ye no. Sana we abeye. Why? Timo fa ne sa.
Edam se do be kan ye tie.
Bibia ni ho.
Yeda wo what is that you made? Yeda wo yed afi de ya pem. What is that you made?
Lady our to sa nyom no your friend Anita Bing.
Yes.
And I quite remember sa nyom no mebua promotion papa.
Wow.
Soul Records. Soul Records ne producer.
Do you media say ne nkasa mre?
Mapem.
New media yen nkasa mre.
Mudi nkonim. Mudi ko. Mo say di biom. Na ofa so what say?
Ofa ho ye.
Wow.
Ofa sure.
Ofa ho ye pa. I see. They said ya na dia.
Ofa deal na egusu a, but say I'm 150 million euros. And a Madrid they pay offer.
Real Madrid.
Yes.
Person mo sign offer.
The offer company. Mr. Ernest Ado Dobel. And the chief
Dobel de mejidi di kakra.
Sir,
and the chief Osebo apia. So no me wo gidi e woni mu.
Aso munyina so ho no mo of Uncle Capi.
Ana don Krompa so mejini di. Na Herita kwa mo aboate na am here so disappointed in her. They be an your statement, day in, day out statement be amba.
Secretary, meaning the unconsulted. The board member.
I was so in with immediate effect. Every time we are more about it.
Too early.
Too early saying.
That be too early.
Too early saying. One now ye kasama for yes sir. Ye trotro for penny. Trotro for no. Also me no.
Yes.
But Harita ne trotro for penny or what sir equinum. Na de be any the statement beba and what I say and what I say. Now want to me a mouth Uncle World Cup. As we speak now, your name Kalaba of Ekwa. So of
Madrid.
No say any yamama member Kumasi Asante Kotokwe. Because Kotokwe team any player was springing up as an swaba back. To say any year Henry Tekwama Boatin, Mensada Mensayam
Kotoko.
Chief Osebo appear, doorbell, and a fee silver lady so no eka management in home from afar or no so airboa.
Team is in the solid team.
Solid team.
I guess the phone go on. And
Ajomonsem, as we speak now, dear. But to me, I can't see Sudia say, I did chief for Sebo Apiansem. I do want some papa.
Of our score more.
Moon to me, I'm an Uncle World Cup.
Don't sell it out. Nah. As a Miss Erita, Mommy, baby.
There be a heritage also resigned with immediate effect.
Sir, on the resignation
because he's not performing.
Obinzo every time you call Gabon as offer spiritually or Katino. Communication the same corner idea. Be a free camp or bed or my Ghana for your city. It will go boy Jumakama. If you are chief for Sebuapiane, Mr. Ernest Adomona, if you are money man and Shada and Yari.
Or modern Bonsweni. Henry Tanner, or modern Bonsweni. Church for Penia. 1 man central for Yentia, a cost from Mocampo. Ani Muram. Timon can't say 1 money home day.
There's a chief, I want messages in Wajayana.
Or the bar. Still, or the bar. But that's a answer what the bar want to mean come for some room. Because said the Ayana, you know. Yeah. But several ladies so too crabiba. So as we speaking now, so for any club, dear, you bet me up a club will be the amount for Australia.
Sir. And the Melbourne City, no Cobana.
Melbourne City, and I say Perth Glory, and I say Sydney FC.
Hey. I want the Quanawa. You have a preseason of our bread,
of springing up on Commercial with you. Now, I don't meditate, not see a person at the Black Stars in the Madness Mono Fair. What's here?
My young Tiaka, bet Mimojide say Carlos Kerosh and Anna Bejuman.
I see.
Nze Doctor Nyaunya Utamakule, young Vejuman Mark Carlos Kerosh. That's one year, or a good coach, a bone do way. Nimfiswa. Blasters players in Igono, you know Penibia and the pedigree no was to say Carlos. It did that's one year, or you good. You should send out Befanda 20 team no. How I know what Blasters they are called World Cup or assistant coaches now. Or you good dear. But say or you understand the Kakra. Yeah, the Blasters team the man is a Bejanism. A team like Real Madrid, only tough. Open your friends Xabi Alonso. But the Leverkusen ball Bundesliga Obia mention the whole season or called trophy that season no. Only Atlanta and Cheno UEFA Europa League. Final. Or command the Regenism players new go no was wrong. You can control them. And that's one day we a very good coach. They are strengthening for. Among man and Joe Penin and some manim ya among Shana. Managing but go for being so players be on ma. You have enough in job crack. Oh, that's all in players see. Me players say you jump quite 2 minutes. First player on my list, like Wusu. When you baby a say return if you Blasters team. Obombe Boshe. Was papa. Hardly say Megasi players. Elisha Wusu dear. Bono Kobo World Cup. No midfielder teammate Jibo not it. Patejibo not to Croatia for Yechi. It's true. Elijah, they think, yeah, return in time, coach, baby. And you're no qua. Who will be with Timana? Baby, you're retirement. Nafi, and 5 young guys, no. Emebo. Jordan, they are men fossil. Be back as young retired Jordan, they are men fossil. Because Jordan, World Cup qualifies near Bueno, near Wokucha, Obia near Shegos, no. World Cup goes and contribute. 14 goals. Goal contribution. Until my retirement. Dabi Jordan do bet me above come back. Ghana for Mutiano pay. Yes, Ramo. Once so bet me do WhatsApp message about. Say Jordan yan retire no. And I see Uncle Swama in your saying. Oh, Blasters. Yeah, attackers. Obiano or your good St. Jordan. Hey, I'm telling you. Oh, Blasters team. Obiano or good St. Jordan. How would you buy not to talk from say? Inaki Williams. Pate, some no all Blasters Jessimu. And now why? There's nobody in Blasters. Oh yeah, attacker or yeah better than Jordan. I wish you had this person there, bro.
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world on HBO pay-per-view. Ladies and gentlemen, from Mandalay Bay, Las Vegas, let's get ready to rumble.
Basement can say Ubrini Yankwe.
Right, Tabushano Pay, getting ready to rumble. Diana, Sakudiamu Samno, and Rena Swano Padin, so much Medicas as well. Hey, can send us some of Bia Jumedia, Sujano Peno, what take Godfather, Miss Hitman, Casson, Sufresh, in a pencher, Abba French Median, Cinemetrics, ready to Mediano, and Switch Mediama, Baby Biaman, the Touch Medianese, Bibi Bianci, the Mamroso, Besma Cadu Saman Bise, Mensuma Gudiamu, San Papa Pano, Mediguano, San Soto Median, Son of Pastor PSA, Kwama Lumba Super Medical Catcho Abrono Brand we are trying say they are no more and let me come and fight you nyina o ka mo so enkonko so amana ne nkoma later sinya no Jamfongo na fansan so touch me dey safe no ye be saba fie fisa mo nkoma no ni nyina ne Lumba Super dama di nyina no enso egu na fansan so ato dwumadi enso dia na se bibi anso di dama no so akra efi oba na Michael so quota e producer on do to look ya esa sabi asemsi no ana no Papa Johnny show no live on Facebook sanso na YouTube dia capital D capital 106 on now to say Mr. Hitman ka say we evidence based presentation enti yedi koma images audio videos audio pokra and we ask audio nyina no on sanso to Facebook asana say ade kan say YouTube no na bibi bia and straight me konka yen shase amana ne koma later sinya no yen fongo na bibi bia so ntimi konka me no kasa no unim say World Cup 2026 toja USA Canada ni Mexico no say yadu semi final na big game ba ko so toja we no eyo man France so bebo Spain na fe wada china we no so England na so no minor je France Argentina timi no kasa ije World Cup 2026 we no and so semi final games and so ba so no pede san komano and so toja jumadi suna bibi bia and so timi akon kama catch us na 7 p.m. big game ni toja we no Spain na so no minor je France na practice a gamer and so be toja no opani na France did the show me no kasa no we manager Edman France national team no we din komo osia brantena je France Kylian Mbappe Lotten we 100% ready we fit and then you no so ready so no e be show man France be no so komo opani France did the show no and so kwedi no pede san komo no and so to judgment dey so bibi bia and so team ko Canada china and no so Argentina ni o mana je France England opani na je France Lionel Scaloni manager and so the man France Argentina no so reporter meeting say nyame adoma e do kire Musa Argentina get team no and so the chance almost so timi adanom sa na se pono open na France Lionel Scaloni ono so timi adane ne nsa no kakra na fe players out do ben na fe crampon for so boa e mani nyo bia why say no me patcho training ground at the time o man France Argentina so train no open no so timi test two ade can say separate formation and so tactics open no and so the Korea ko power but your minor je France England open san komano and so to jana big game boy to jano o man France and Spain game no abrante France Pauku Basse edi jumadi mo man France Spain na wadin komo wasi Kylian Mbappe Lotin ye player bia wonu ball ni ball every time bia Kylian Mbappe Lotin ja kumba go pamane so na se ne mo konkan na mo abrante France Pauku Basse ese no bayen kamo bia tiase se Kylian Mbappe Lotin ye player bia wonu Pauku Basse so no enti na no pa na se pone kan se pono ena nyime o ma ye ready na no kila da abrante France Pauku Basse wasi en kamo bi bia tiase se na na jicha za abrante a ye France Kylian Mbappe Lotin wonu wobetimi a china sen botono se nkoma abrante France Pauku Basse se kan en so de ma la Royal Spain so akodi anopa de san koma no en so tu judgment de so na bibia en so timi ko ga nan sentema na lami ya manazrawi abana onya 19 ye no wadi koma wase na Spain national team boys ni nyina no wase ne special birthday gifter en o hwe ni musom nyina betim de ma no en se na jombe twa for minor je France no so nkoma abrante France lami ya manazrawi abana so no en so ko de anopa de san koma nyina no en so tu judgment de so na bibia en so timi ko ka na onim se big game and anaju told France against Spain open France Ivan Bato and a best center referee reporter mete and so penny when I sent penny for and so many this on so much time on sepono when the center say come put from anguni from and so in shenwa many minutes on Toronto and to game na bibi bianco kanani mo penny way me patron in last 6 games on swedi no say a 4 red cards and penny way one swedi me swedi maza and that game because no ye player bi na maza koban say oh yes silly tackles dia open your friends Ivan Baton one of us and Chebia no show red card essentially me no ka say 6 last games or no one sweat me officiate no one more 4 red card and Paul Johnny show no live on fake nice and show pen no during that time all officiate a body say we a player now didn't say unu sabi we any amount some say more red card we dia yente say after say one sweat me akoshe vani ade and po communicate with VAR team no so about the final verdict about maza when comfortable no ka say aura compose this season and top not Ivan Baton and no so and Pempe was show red card say and so no suit me e ka no
Number 10, Paraguay, cover his mouth. Decision is red card. After review, number 10, Paraguay, cover his mouth. Decision is red card. After review, number 10, Paraguay, cover his mouth. Decision is red card. After review, number 10, Paraguay, cover his mouth. Decision is red card.
Enti open na friends Ivan Bato no ana say wotin na no di sem out me say yes masa ono wo show red card na masa onyi sympathy oni amobra bia enso ma plenty na nyume de o player bi won baku ba sim ana say po abrantia ye friends so really twami ni mo masa ko ba ni say ne mo ko esilita go pani na eti no komo mamno Ivan Bato na ye ani na say wo ma red card no so enkomo efi oba di nyina no so tu dwuma de so na say bibi bia so atime akoka eda ochina 7 p.m. big game by Austin and England and so boy to my friends Argentina way and open your friends Ghana ono a former English international so di komo was one onim date na and I say po adawa china baba say England and so she Argentina na England team no and so team she 2 goals and to minor your friends Argentina say who will be the Lisandro Martinez Abrantia your friends Cristiano Romero Massa and Pempisa 2 defenders ne one so center pedimo minor your friends Argentina and Pempino one so team chego tedo china there with the lights of Harry Edward Ken Abrantia your friends Mano Madwekemo Sanson Abrantia face Anthony Gotemo and omo kwesha Abrantia na sempono Abrantia friends Jude Victor Bellingham ombe sha Argentina womo backlines amasa omo hwem Pempino womo so timi eche go dia na se wono onim dente achira no amana friends England so nya 2 goals and so timi ma ana sempono esimi ti amana friends Argentina no pa no yede san komani nyina tu dwuma de se bibi bia so timi akoka na join ten so edi na no to sa big game china and also to that was mass Argentina national team no yen come be bianti asese enya better than England national team no essence no confirm say player by player was England team no quality was Russia Argentina brutal and timasa china dia say be bia and so that say no minor your friends say England so no ebetime twa for my friends Argentina so no so enkoma open your friends John Terence no and so kwede no pedi san koma no and so to jana masa Ellen Brotala no player World Cup yas wakwaje no entre ha badia na ya brante onim sele when a team carry Norway national team ni na and so cinematry so team boya edo mu du ade kan se quarter final no reporter men say kan op from minor your friends say Peru men say obeka during the time of Brazil and so about team and friends say Norway Ellen Brotala enya 2 goals and so the man Norway team na nam so bi and Brazil 2 team free man diamete and say ukopiem e won no and say Peru man mu dia me pacho emma makuma ko 468 ana ewo ye edi akodano ana se omedi omoma eto Ellen Brotala enti emma makuma ko 468 enti about time 468 ana ne ukopiem e wo Peru dia obi bia nso gitum se ne ya se ne wom so timi to Ellen Brotala din ana se omoto ne badi se ne modern boy baby no so bono wom so beda ana se omoma na wom so ne to Ellen Brotala no wom so betimi abebo samadi bi the reporter men second se we no enso eye 91 and kwadan anase we out of 468 no 91 omode ye de Ellen Brotala din to hom so anke bia 400 and ade kan 68 no ebia betime nya James Ellen anase James Haaland wo naka ebia ne papa se na bi naka ho adu se Haaland adu se Ellen wo na se anka yama me se nem no enso to akola nemom out of 468 no emu 91 de omu nyina je se wo ma fa Peru din je se omu papa mo na je se omu na nanka so bia po ana ni din ni ma omode ne to kwada na meka mudi omu koma no 91 out of ade kan se po no me patch of 468 no wo de omu kita Ellen Brotala enti nyame ya adum na se kwada we nyina so omu hye Peru national team jersey no na hu Ellen Brotala ndo ba ka se ade opani we ne mani anana se eno so e Ellen Brotala ne modern boy eno no ado no so ko ba World Cup na se eno so bi ko piamo Peru dia na se ye tu ne badi ya de san koma no so tu ja na brante friends Alexander Soloff se ukopiem Norway mamu a ono ana chese o nipa ba ko ni huye bufu brutal say unim say abrante no Mike already kai na ma me sa footage during the time abrante nya sa crucial chance one so e was so passima Ellen Brotella one pass enti sa incident so na confirm komato to na en so ba man e friend say no way hono e say o join show live on Facebook capital D capital 106 on Naya when on Naya against England during that time no man e friend say no way Asha Bako Ellen when o Alexander Solot when you 1v1 win against a branch friends and so Nico really Ellen Brotella na tuno just pass bono na on bobo na sha branch way kukwasa sa wan bobo na mano question o kwase bono masa sa chance way and also sa incident way and I say ukopiem e won no way man mo dia na say threatening message pa and kofona so din komo and komo meeting is a branch friends Alexander Solot ne wife da ba man say and kofo do na ama ne message say ni kunu no masa wanhwe on bekuno enti eno so messages abrante no ne wokani so dem am tese ne one so timi receive several dey can say no me patro threat messages eno so akotia ni mini kuno no eno so kuma kafi obadi nyina no en so tu judgment dey so na bibia en so timi akonka na boss akache no enti ameti say so makoni o metimi o miso no etimi akoka che opanina ye friends say ye bie tebas no en so La Liga president on ni panifo say nyame aduma 2026-2027 season campaign no who be your first half no omuso betimi abo matches ni nyina enso manjuk ni nyina se ne ade cancer Spotify company no 1% omuso etimi refit stadium no so enti ahu ben ya se ne omuso betimi abo first half no enso season our stadium na me pacho ye friend se manjuk no so enkomo men se karo pedi nyina no enso tu judgment ye suna bibia no enso etimi akonka na Michael Olise enso di juma ade ma buy national team no sepo no France national team no sia kan enso de ma buy football club no enti ametin after World Cup no one so betimi akona ne opanina your friend Florentino Perez and so betimi akodi nkomo when a mover abrante na so di free Bayern and so kopiem e Real Madrid and Tiamete and he says kobani sa abrante no and so tia say no babo Real Madrid team na dia na say Madrid for no one so timi Bob West can 200 million euros and no sika je say omantua anasempo no omantua hwekura and so is come betimi tuana Bayern team no entimasa e wo ba say another club it is a Bayern and so betimi reject 200 million euros for Abrantia your friend say Michael Elisa no so nkoma and opement say kadinya no and so to judgment dey so na bibia and so etime kokana sad news and opement say ka and so penina your friend say Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani one and so kopiem e wo Qatar na say ono so eye former omo penny pa aka kromo e betimi aka say bia one chief man bia penny pa penny kasia pa and so man your friend say Qatar na say no ubetim krampo de atoto say no why president why former dey can say no me pacho in May and so e Qatar obekai during the time as say Qatar and so see 2022 World Cup at the time Argentina national team no and so je World Cup no beka anyway and at the san Qatar so bi no and so good Messi so peja World Cup trophy no and so the man Lionel Messi so penny no and on permit no come Ahmad bin Khalifa Al Thani me no ka say dey wadani benkum so wa kan chegu wa penny no me no ka say dey wan ka Qatar for us we no see bad news and no free Qatar mamu abara pe no ye din nyina so ma dwuma dey so na bibia and so etime akonka na massa and footballers dey edisa say mpempi mo say chance fans no and so person mo bono o dey journey no show no live on Facebook nation Abrante na fans say Vinicius Junior during that time I said would the Brazil national team no and so akọ World Cup quart and as a run of 16 and Norway eyimu free mo enya wara ho journey show no live on Facebook Abrante na holy their baby girl pa baby girl ye ka baby girl na emrafu na aminim se na sebi omo wo kura wi sebi omo mpokura na entingu na Michael omo manufo Michael ona betimi account say una odi study account story no and so by nti o journey show no live on Facebook eti wunti maza Michael is a word before Mike na omo mutie radio no utimi describe ababa na so na ntade na chese ehye no sebio ayase tia sa na ayese akata nanim na ayese kakra bi no and so for na chi na oti Vinicius senior so nti we namasa ukwa say chance enye den yamo e chance ultimi form matches eno so elko nkan say dia namasa yes nti na baby girls na gu on we na say oh man be say baby girls association tani we na bedu baby ya hwe say ne monsu betimi dia back camp na say po meeting na pede sanko nti maka ye image ni free so sense ene adaso che brute sense men sha say kwa no Michael enso start project no so ekoma men say kadi nyina no ma ndwuma de sna bibi bia enso etime akwanka unim say since the year 2018 Abrante friends killing on Mbappe Lotten and so joining France national team no 1J appearance fee on J bonus beer and so free French national team limita and they see beer Abrante no and so a French national team say World Cup tournament say World Cup say Euros and that's the Nations League no Abrante no one for even a penny one for best of crown and fun coffee every time beer na Abrante no be French national team jersey sika beer no so team make and so free French national team no me patcho on for Capreba and so coffee reporter mete and it said the year 2018 o man friends say Ariano and so France and so je World Cup no when you 300,000 euros one for Capreba and so coffee and tiamete and it say on so timi e donate sasika ni nyina and so timi ma awiemfo na sepo no mobro wa wisi nyankane ne wo so so asema bebre no and so ha no sentia men se kadi nyina no and so unim se me no kase no World Cup yebo ewo USA Canada ni Mexico sika brante nyina no reporter meeting say we no eye security for empepi omo guard French national team no and brante so di ni sika no and so timi a chairman no senti ya men second masa killer no Mbappe ne de edisa say na World Cup bia no brante ni etimi shane sanse ne ade e kan say nyanka wisi amobro wo ma say woni befo and so edima omo bomb ma de na bibia so and so betimi akoso ma brante na je friends killer no Mbappe lotia no pe no yade san common air to janenra ukopiem ewo Norway Oslo diana se adaje ni pusuna Norway fo dia masa and komoje World Cup ni dianke ni dombe ye enra after and say during the time Norway national team ni nyina enso so touchdown ewo Norway kromo no wo dia join show no live on Facebook na masa esewoni so kache reporter mete and say over 90,000 fans and the G kire there enso kwashia I mean Norway national team no na humenya say ne monje World Cup de nemo me say mo celebrate sanze masa utimi akwa World Cup na kwa show ma bi say we no enso so we ne Brazil utimi ene o ma bi say England cramp no enso twina tan say dia na say humenya sense amoto utimi celebrate tenwa video ayen so Norway for no enso gi twi ebehia omo national team no. Eti ana unza yes team no ana say omo tesa open top bus ni so amenwa de se be bia obefa bia na say no players no enso ni technical team no na so omo jomo me na ye de san koma nyina na enso atu ja na opania ye friends Anthony Iraila me no ka say de wanya tiase Liverpool jumadi no ye de ama no head coach na proud to say na season best start no wedi ka credit komo maza ene ye say ukwoto say tikase wi adwana say u fi say e da for me na for mo ene wodi komodo do na wose adia wodi ba Liverpool ni say na ni fan and say Liverpool titafo ni nyina ensusu ebe process start season na Anthony Iraila enkomuni.
I've been in the other side at Anfield. I would like to give them a team that they can feel proud of. Football, and especially Liverpool, for me, is about connecting with the people, connecting with our supporters. I've been in the other side at Anfield. I've experienced, I always say, the goal that Kies scored in the first game of the past season, where you can feel the stadium. And I would love to have this every game we play. And it has to come from us, from inside the pitch, and we have to be a team that we know works hard, intense, aggressive, vertical, so everyone can can be identified. Everyone can feel comfortable now supporting this team.
Yeti way a new idea cancer manager and shred man Liverpool team no penia. Your friends Anthony Ryland and Koma is a wakwadi proud to say season no and shred shots no and shred to Jumadi should be piano and shred me can none himself penia. Your friends said Papi Bonathiano and shred former manager no head coach no at the mother and shred Teranga Lions of Senegal after say ye Jamiquano per reporter men second so penia friends Patrick Vieira and I said Penfons who consider some betting this Jumano and sweat me man no say come and second openo ye didn't know so to Jumadi should be piano and sweat me can none himself penia. Your friends say why Jesus and sweat me to say Portugal team no one sweat say no be reporter meeting say Yebusan say Bobrantia. Your friends say Cristiano Ronaldo over 41 years over fall Portugal national team now Abrante we still now bet me a friend and I said no be here was yes Ronaldo were a key member pa and show me team maybe brother and show them Portugal national team to penina. Your friends say you are Jesus no one also say no yen come up beer and I say Ronaldo 41 years no one also when you know Portugal national team no and also come and say Kedinya no and show to Jumadi is not be piano and show to me kwa medical in commercial say na me aduma dot 7 p.m. when a big game by Austin England team no and so no my friends Argentina and so and a reporter me seka and he say Argentina national team no omo penny for no me catch FIFA say and we ben yes o metimi asho omo wake it no and so boy to my friends Argentina say no and so England obeka the year 1986 that famous goal penina your friends said Diego Armando Maradona at the hand of God ni go na order in such a team mina your friends England said just no and my friends Argentina team no and so show much for my friends England so entimino kase entiamete and say who ben yes Argentina team no and so betimi asho say just no no peno yede say come nyina and so to judgment say when so timi to judgment so come dey nke doso nemo emre no 20 years so and so ewo amanane come on last story na fe ya 30 from na fe ya defisam no and so ba entiamete and so penia your friend say you say Maria Pep Guardiola na make no one empany for consider say Italy national team no one consider say on betimi e de adwuma na man esan say the Azuris of Italy one bre brutal World Cup one ntimi ankobi chese one de Italian na why moye dene ente umenya so mka kofa gafa Pep Joseph Maria Guardiola na so no so timi abebo on this note amanane nkoma Mike so coach aboabo anu nyina no yemfa nso aseda PS no enkoma Lumba supanti yentewe yeba na emfa efisam nkoma no enso entoa so Right, tebusia egusua sinkonya so kan ketesi Lumba nsupa anopai sansan kansan so ni bidia mesrene wo mesi out big time person sensunwa waso a abadwama so na babi bia befa bia no ana obi bia so edidi ni juma eye Lumba nsupa babi bia befa bia de obi agya tumenya Ghana ankwala yaji Lumba nsupa tumom so mo amana ni kro ya kansa so agya no obi bia so agya tum Lumba nsupa nko a ana mpempini yetimi som na esanse ye nsu a chese eje nkwapa na FDA fo nso atimi agya tum afam fidie ma ya so ne so kroje wonum Lumba nsupa bibi bia so enso kwanka o mantama na egusu asinkonya so agude mu nsema no pede ma ewo dwumadi kase so na mra so no ye de efisem nkomo no enso so ana eba na nim sem no kase enna me bedi nkomo enso so ekiro se ema African Cup of Nations no enso to dwamantu ma under 26 na ye sha se unim se enra ana se omana se Sunday kra ana omina ana se Black Queens ye ma no omusu kwatache down ewo Morocco na reporter no pamenseka ene se ye ne Cote d'Ivoire omoma no enso betimi friendly game kase pa ba kunso afio eno eye ne 4 p.m. ana sa game game no enso eto dwa yede san koma nyina no enso eto dwa nanra ma brantia your friends Lawrence Atizigi ono so eye Ghana number 1 goalkeeper nti Lawrence Atizigi goalkeeper number 1 na se mpempi no na se wono so timi amount goal post na enso eto no enso so echeche boss e de ma Blasters team no na wakwadi nkomodo do na unim se na opania your friends coach Limley Christopher Limley wano abranti we starting the ball no for coach we nsem kakra na opani we enso so akwadi nkoma na Michael before say yebeba Atizigi enkoma no so no what's opani how the ending say yamfa say what's opani your friend say coach Christopher Limley come here say criticism and pempi or criticizing no a movie from criticism say we found personal issue come here say opinion as on no wo bibi esan say kobani say and pempi no Ghana bo game bia wie na wo de sobo no ebe ball no coach and as a goalkeeper number 1 Lawrence Atizigi so no na wayama Yasha Blasters on kasa wono awada poma as say bi mumu wontimi me na no kasa chale Gideon Mensah for her and as John Opoku say dina say we ba and I say obi the ball ba hwe wachi say oso won kasa on the no so gina go post ni mi say na say ya bebo Yasha Blasters udi before say be ko Atizigi nsam no so no bo second video no coach Christopher Limley ne nkoma empempi no wetimi edifa abrante friends Lawrence Atizigi goalkeeper number 1.
No coach worth his salt would have benched Benjamin Sarri yesterday. Nobody would do that. Look, coach.
Hold on.
That is how you coach.
Okay, but you see, Chris,
he has established a chemistry. Look, that is one thing most people are not looking at. The back four chemistry.
And the goalkeeper.
Why would you change it? I put on record.
We changed the back four. Daniel, when did we change the back four?
You see? And I'm telling you, if Benjamin was in the pool, we wouldn't have considered that first goal. Let me tell you now. I explained to you off air. Let me explain for people to listen.
You finish because Fent is on.
Let me tell you, look, go and watch the sequence again. Ati is my boy. I'm proud to say he's my boy. Believe you me, of all the players I've worked with, he's one of the boys who's gotten to the highest level. But I sit here today, I've not eaten one CD from him. I don't care. I don't need anything from him. If you meet him and you ask him, he will tell you, you see that coach, he doesn't need anything from him. I work my sweat and earn my living. Onumishin, Ate is my boy. He doesn't talk. When he was on talking terms with me, Nicodemus Likatokreku and Co, they've stopped my boy from calling me. I don't care. He has his life. He should live his life. When he could call me, I was always telling him, call your goalkeeper. No need to no way.
So for our listeners, Coach is saying that, Coach Lim is saying that.
Enti wote gbelemoda biawanum Atizigi goalkeeper number 1 biawanum kasa agudie na juma na uya na eye kasa juma tia defenders no tia mo masa wanjire ya tia no eno eye coach Christopher Limley wono koma mpempi no wono so etimi edifa goalkeeper number 1 Lawrence Atizigi na when I say boys no amunso mutie nzam ni bio Atizigi enya ne da ono so nsam hye bo pa na nra ono so nya kwenya hye no so betimi adi ne nsam na se anase wadi ne nkomo wo se coach ni de waye bia ma no pa wo ka se wonye bi ma na boy san se wo start ni career nyina no coach Christopher Limley ana wonya ne ntetia dodo na enso efiri no na mom come here say baby ade na du no as a free criticism and then Blasters ebo game we bia wono so timi atwi na no sini so pa nya asem ketwa na wo hu ni say as a opinion no no e wo personal issue we ye enkoma goalkeeper number 1 Lawrence Atizigi enso die.
I know Christopher Limley and I don't dispute the fact that he's also played a big role in my life. So I played in his team back when I was young, so I do know him, but it's just that after some time we had we weren't able to build up this relationship that we had before, and things have been really bad between us. So yeah, this is where it is.
But would you want to? Have you guys thought about reconciling and patching things up?
Reconciling and patching things. I think this wouldn't be the moment to do so, because I felt really disappointed and I felt really sad that because I heard a lot of things. You know, sometimes we are human, and definitely there's gonna be people talking around, and you will definitely hear this. So I was very disappointed hearing him talk about a lot of things. I know that there's going to be critics, but if you keep talking about something over and over again, or you keep talking about someone over and over again, then it's no more critic, then it's like a personal problem. So I was very disappointed that in this situation, that something has happened like this, you know, we could just find a way and sort things out differently. But going on the media and going on this space to bring it out, this was what I really didn't want. And I felt really disappointed that he had to go this way. Yeah.
No, and so Lawrence Atizigi, goalkeeper number 1. One of them come as a Wadifa, the former coach Openia, your friends, coach Christopher Limlo, Yadison Comanina, and so to John Command Janka Dawson, Nemo Mr. Hitman, Atlas, and Kaina Shannon, so Enquiries, Nyamia Duma, Glasgow, 2026, Common Games, no Abaso. I cut just 9 days, Nessa, yet the Ash Shasopa, and ye Asam Ketua, and no, and there's a minimum Michael on Zaka video now. Mama me talk and do kakraniti. But the Yanshana Ghana for so share Ghana, Team Ghana, yeah, I call Adia Cancer, Commonwealth Games, no, from Frima Ajemo, and Elizabeth to Drumo, say, training on me, and I say, talk and do in a man, Team I got a Piatumana Ghana for Philip.
Hi, my name's from Asia. My discipline is judo and my category is under 57. I'm so ready for this Commonwealth Games. Let's do it. Team Ghana, feel the power. Team Ghana, we dare to win. Team Ghana, from Ghana to Glasgow, for gold.
Ose Ghana, hello Ghana. My name is Odo Elizabeth Sewa and I am a professional judoka. I am joining the Ghana in this year Commonwealth Games and I am 100% ready. I am 100% ready to fight and win for my country. I strive to win actually. I have trained and prepared myself very well in these upcoming games. And I am promising medal for my country, Ghana. Yes, Team Ghana, feel the power. Team Ghana, we dare to win. Team Ghana, from Ghana to Glasgow for gold, actually.
Enti no ana say maba no ma ye ready just say bibia didam enti judo cast for no maza baby girls we mu de mami say mitimi for o na David enti omo no mo ko akwa represent Ghana e wo Glasgow Commonwealth Games and also told you aka 9 days na sa adwumadi chenchenche no enso e hye so enso so e wo Scotland Ghana ye ni dia kire pa medals how do the girls no baby girls so promise say wo mo de dodo na e be ba manya ntie say boxers no je say omo so atimi e wo ho kra omo so wo mo e trainer ho do enti encommand dia kedos na mom coffee break is over. And Mr. Hitman enya transinti agudie mu nsema ye boabo anu nyina no yemfa nsoma aseda PSA enkoma Lumba zupa sa brano bia no omoso etimi aso ase ekoemwa enso efa dwumaden nyina ho ka omoso ase e de fa fly na dia 1069 ekonkofon kroso amana ne nkomo no jede ni nyina enso so eba ya fei efisa mu nkomo no yesa nso etimi ede esomwa bibibia nso ededam Michael so coacher eye producer on duty no ana so etimi boaku che nsem ni nyina no enso egu nkrata so besima kadu se mambi se menso me besanim ema onsa to dwumadi enso na me so no wey eye birthday freak miniami nuambema Kenneth Arthur Kofi Ken official the international blogger and say memfa akonya we so na yan we she Laurinda Anku happy birthday pa Laurinda ene ewa woda we every the international blogger Kenneth Arthur Kofi Ken official and say yamfa akonya we so na we she awoda pa nyankopon ontine nim nchiro na say dwumadi bia don say so me adi no nyankopon so onton super engusumanti Laurinda Anku on this special day of yours ni yenyina atim ni nyina e ka say happy birthday pa nyame ontine nim enchiro nti agudem nsam ne yemfansi Miss Henrietta Otama committee 2 wasi Mr. Hitman men kan chel say obetene nka esan say wo fatim no empempi no say and they ask omo can work from us. You go hear from us. Nti no a messenger secretary say me fama and answer me fanyam samje e wo madino tie bema ya nso tie ana lajos me da sepa na roda enra me no share din komadodo na me da sepa nso so mu ye having till lajos ni baby girls amu wo nyina no nyankopon onhyam nti Mr. Hitman mami fa nsina fe dwumade ne nkai no so yento aso
right best market do na pay me da sepa pasa wo dia godie monsam agopamaso nsam kanka te se Lumba nsupa e dia bedan Ghana for wutie DL 106.9 Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia
no ya cron anyway urade Anidaso Wɔhɔ oh my no ya
2 minutes after 7 a.m. here while I'm saying special good morning and confirm our bar penny or Hitman and now Kunedu or bar penny and now Hinema Kunedu. I'll pay what to say watching us live all the way from Japan. Bar penny and I'll pay what to say bar penny or Hitman and now Kunedu. I'll pay Yankupon shop papa and if you wanting any more French all the way from Japan. I was your brother here to Kowaka Tamu Boswani here. They joining live on Facebook, live on YouTube. But I also share link now. For Fufuro being so into me, Ehbi and Anna Pay. But just share the link and for Fufuro being so into me, Ehbi and Anna Pay. So once again, the special good morning and confirm Oba Penny or Hinema Nana Kunadu all the way from Japan. One so Ohe Jumediano and Anna Pay. But your brother, yeah, the Kowaka Tamu Boswana Anna Pay, Yadeba. Newspaper review segment, you know, and as usual, your man, my man, Inshrabako Josamibi Atinasia, or the other top stories, all the major stories making headlines in the national dailies, or they buy and Anapay. Anapay Kowakratamo Boswanibre in here.
Yeriko newspaper review no more. Nishiraba Kojo Samibi, Nordin Semeriko Swaba Ufi. Morning light, Yebama for a Monday. Headlines no about my mind, politics, sports, me entertainment, and so go just me be them my what you newspaper review on DLFM 106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ my Obia, you can cray every morning time from Ghana to the world, yeah, in Sembrew. Breaking stories, yeah, in Fantuo. Sharp analysis, they kasapa binso. Wake up Ghana, time to know. Kojo Samidi newspaper review every morning. DLFM 106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ my Obia. Tune in every morning, don't be late. So DLFM yeah, newspaper review. Winchiraba Kojo Samidi.
I was your brass newspaper review segment. No, they broke Wakata Moboswanibre in here. And I've been sure about Kojo Samidi. And I say, maybe I've been Makojo Aquaba. I've been on DLFM 106.9, 35 minutes after 7 a.m. Good morning, and I'll pay Wapomo at the same.
Yeah, Bra, good morning. Yamia Dome.
The Yankupon se papa pa, and a benada, Kita on Sabusman de Tosudunai, one film pim you know any edununcia. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning.
Yeah.
And an aperture tiefway, Nafi Yentinsi in Seminimo. But answer now bet you for Kojo. And a some man nam near to for year and say it's a beautiful Tuesday morning. We have to stay focused, work with integrity, and be kind to others. Yenya papa ma fufro. Service to mankind is service to God. So we ye be the amount fufro no. We ye the amenyankopon. And trust God will direct your path. Because your mammy ti wana pay chetu for nafi. Yentin sin seminimo.
Bako brano pe yena yankopon se edikan na yenchire ne said na sepa yeda se ufo. Na yeni awrehimo ene Anidaso se yen mo bi te se yen. Sumuna so entuma gufin bi abusuafo te se yen no no. Anka wode yebeka wono mo se fatasa no pay. Onfa wono mo mankwam na moja ne mu afurisane. Nti ye de ye kan se yen abusua ene wo man Ghana ene DLFM tiefo ne mampani. Wiase nyina aka se de na se nden so wo cheche ne nhira nsuo na obo ne mapunu manya ne wonom aka atiatefo ho no. Ode ya mu bia nanka abusuafo yenya hwe nanka ja enipa yi etwechene no ode ya ne mso aka ho na senka ne din ode bia dan humobro na doye na ayem hihye na ayem ya oyemaye yede na sepa eno achi no yenche na tiefo anopa mu chie efre chichire ene bencheye ba bibia wo a wotem nka no ene mantam ene mensene bia wo mu ne kuru bia wotie mi fire so no Nyankopɔn tena de mu fa nkyere wo ye mpa ye bone sa anopa wo ku a onfa wo nko wo banso asa pepe na onfa wo mra asomdwie mom ahyenkafo ahodo no taxi drivers ye chiamo ene trotro drivers na Nyankopɔn ka mo ho pam VIP, VVIP ni express for yempa ya bone se mo kwa no pe no no anim anim na onfam confirm brasum dwe mutie o shop o fi hod mo ana se won paso kra na ada na wote yenka no pe yempa bo nya ne se one Nyankopɔn no pe no o tena ne mu fa nchiru bi Nyankopɔn ya dom na numre ye san be hie mo ye nyina ye de aseda na ase ebeka se obatampa wa ye bintie nyina be jesu se ne amen. You made us say, I don't know if I cracked up. 1 hour here live on Facebook, 1 hour here live on YouTube, on TikTok. I am Mr. Hitman official. We're joining you live. And I'm Pemenian into say Japan for Papa, Japan for him, and then call for Japan. Papa, I don't pay Ubreni, Kuwakatamu Boson, Ghana foot you, my Enquiry. Ansampa, I would do Kuwakatam, the big Ramon. Now, what can't say me about me? Kindness na eyepa. We have to be kind to others. Be kind to one another. No. Idea about kwa tender-hearted, forgiving one another as God Christ forgave you. Embebere ho no mo a ye ho say ye no no. Ye friend Dr. Mfemfree, we ye den ye ntiase. We don't foi. Say wonye obi na difiri no hu mo bo a enka won ntiase. Na dia ba ko a eya na ehu wiase adodo na nhyeden nim. Na we ye bokwan pato anim ne ba kobere ne se ebi kitame na me de mo obi a daachi bi obi nso de be mame e wo mra manina na de ha ye ne se ye de bi mo obi a ye hwe anim se nipa no be san man ye bi a hye na mu anya sa na ye se ye se me obi bi e bi a me ho bra kobere hia bibi me wo bi ehun hia se metwen me na bi sa me kura once a me wo na ye se me ya me firi me pem na me de ama na nya me de hu nhira me and enye se me weti se ba kobra so me bibi nhye na mu se de oye ma me bi atwam to no so nya me bi no na mom Nyankopɔn ne mkwan be fa so a ebi a won so bra be hia mo na afoforo be so won sa o mra wani nda sa nipa no kora wonya ne mo abi ada sa na nyame ye na ade nti ebesere yenya ye muhihye ene odo eme ye nuanom sanka Ghana man eye nipa bi a anasa amanfo bi a ye wo odo ne abada ye dwene nipa ho a ka bra kobra nipa pi wo hono ma ka mu hia mo anketen anka ya boa won ebinim wo bi o mbetuma yema na aboro so obi wo bi pa na so ye pe show off agese ye twe kamera kwesi so na wiase nyina hunu se me osimesi na me kwa kobu odesani na me de age ho fans twere konkon me yate ase o matu asempa ne sen se wo ye papa e ma wonsa benkum hu wonsa benkum na ye papa ma ni fa hu ni fa ye papa ma benkum hu meaning say the moment a opese wiase nyina bo abaso no twere konkon kire me se waje wani munyam no winhira no wasase Nyankopɔn nsɛm de woni hwe enti ebesere kwadwo mesro na nopai wo ka Matthew no wa bie Matthew chapter 6
verse number 9 no e dia mame wada ma menim say bre ni ho but abonito mame Matthew chapter 6 verse number 9 no o kan ya de 13 na nke beboa me papa so join here live on Facebook, live on YouTube, ba won so share link no na for fufuro bi so entumi hwe bia na pa so Matthew homa no chapter 6 verse 9 kwajo asema wo hon no
anopai die twere konkon no ka ewo asempa no sede Matthew etwere ye no etirensia yimu enkro no atifi asem no se Ewurade empaibo Ewurade empaibo na wase enti mommo mpaye se yen eja wo soro udin honte wa hini emra dia wo penye wo asase so sede ye wo osoro ma yen yenda aduane ne na fayen akache yen said ye de che wona wode ye naka na mfayen konsonhwem na yen firi boni mu na se wode nipa fumoso che wona mosoro eja de mode beche monso na se mamfa nipa fumoso anche wona mo agya no le mfa mfumoso nche mo enu ano no enti se de yen foforo enfomso eche wona ye je wosoro no enu so de yen fomso brofo no o say our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our debt as we forgive our debtors, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom and the power and the glory forever. Amen. And so at times we need to forgive others. Oh yeah, we need.
Obi wono mo obi na de hyeni musa won pese wo de beche sa nipa no. Na wo ya sa no, o pese Nyankopon de obo ne chew.
Black obrande ba kwa the last time makani fi happen. Yemu bebre ho no ma ya ma ho kwan ma foforo e ma ye ho kire wa brabom e ma ye nhira no ye nsantumi nka. Enya bibia o obi adi wo bone e ma bone odidi wo no ade ode ye wo na ya we ya pa wo de ne se de ode ya wo no hwidi ya mpo Nyankopon na awreto e wo no ala ena areto ewo no se wo nkramoni a sa na obeka no enti wo de ne se nam se nipa na nya bu kwase asisi wa wie no wa ho den ntumi nko onyansa ntumi ye ntini jaimo kesie ya na wo yifri wutirim se osimesi ne ne asem se wo abo bitterness ni yiwa bra ko ba de ye nie sa ade no be ye de se barrier ewo abrabom ase obi a esubonten na wakosi bale won finfie nsu no bohu se na emu achemie no anafo ntumi masoro na esoro ntumi nkwa anafo sa na eye Nyankopon hihye nhyira bi se mra Nyankopon mo konkron na ebua nipa no empefi ene bone ti se sa nyama na wo mu a honhom konkron ne beboa na odi nhyira eba ebesan sa ne te nti da sani bi eso wo hye no nso obi di bone opani yi wo de bone na odi adi wo no sa wo ntumi mfa ne nkwa asem di bia ma ne mfa ne nto ne kwan mu a na fi se wo de becha wo de ache yefri wutrim don't have any bitterness the moment abeye sa pe wa mani pa na san di usunkunim times 2 because the other one wadi kan twi wadi dada secondary unhira na ese se ba no so wan kasa wasan de se nipa no ho bone ahye wutrim ti unhira na e ba no so no ene so wasan ateko nti wa mani pa na bom asan bre usun enti mesre ye mo ye ho moden se betimi aye adoye ayemuye no matter what the situation bako ba de besi bia no wo de bia me kan se mi say bibia besu abra bom bia no twidi ya mpon Nyankopon hu yansa de kro ne yeden eba
adenti ne friend nyansa bo akwa Nyankopon
hu ye the last time asem we me te ho akire adesia omutie me emra na me wa alajo na me fiewura de otie me ntie me ya no pay mkuku amu asempa na mpese obi sua de wo ho
okay
me fiewura efre ye say baby aye wo no oba be renovation enti no be say enti ye nyina ye den ye ntu menso me hwa me ho a na me nya ho bo ase metu because na nkrandan bo no se de tie no wo pe kura wo bre ene bo a wo betua na no den we ha me ti na me nya ready se me den metu ba ko bra me gusun kakra sa ti na me ye me ho lakadas kakra se wo betwa so because na bi mu kire me so mo de nya de mbetu ti na me so mpese me join that group no me hu ana mi fie wura nu ma ko aba omode edika no mode eviction notice crab there dada and oba the way on me kasa no I mean like okasa kire me anyhow but me so me obi a me wabotre pa na me na mato me bo ase so wo de o ma me brek kakra bi na metu te da kro me ho na me hu se no bra ko bra to ko se metu e na metu ye kudu imagine say baby na mete wala adwo ho no mo oni me se nsuo na to ye no adehye wo ho nyina ne ma nyina akọ ebinim asate na obi ayira. I am telling you.
Ofio.
Nyankopon wo ho said ye wote wona de yemu no wo ye nipa wo nte na seda. The last time na me catch madam for ba kwani say na me catch DJ Malen ofia no say Nyankopon hu de na eba no me na ha me say nti Nyankopon atena ho no mo bi a me nya hoboa say me ni sika bi da ho a me de ko high dance see ne wa hwe saa ma yetumi could you imagine say fi na onye renovation bia no mo nye renovation obi kokun fie honom obi na obi ne kokun ye wo fie ho wo se wo di fie wuratem enti ye ne ya ka ne nyina mo se yatena ho ache
okutre ko wi ni moku
mimi tu openi mimi tu fie a mi nhraba unhume me ba adwuma ho ma che me pon anadwo da suum unhume fie ho weekends kura me hye mimi mpie me nya obi me nya out type enti me hye dem a unhume ma me no pe masem like bibie ne ho a ewo ho a eseme ya me nye enti me na me hu se e kwon ntare me hu se no twidi ya mpo Nyankopon pene so sa de kro no ensi saa enti me firi ho no mo na ade na nsuo ne toye na madam fo ba ko frɛ me na ka kire me se nhira nya me atwitwa age wo fie hofo ko hwa asem ato
why you lucky
me that day nsuo se me ba adwuma hamache enti ke besi machi na ida se hu se nsuo ne ho nso ehyase hamache no so it could be say bi kura nanka me wo fie nanka ato ye nche me to ade hie bi kura nanka beto me ya menim enti mesre de beto wa bra wo mu bibia babia no sanya wo na waye boni bi waye mfumusuo bi na akofo sa ho na ba me dofo yi nya botre boko wo de ma de kro ninsi is for a purpose wo nyame nyansem no wo da me ya ntumi a enka la dwunso agidi fa wo me ka kire opren enka me ho akire me pa ebia na enka me wo dem manke de ebeto me to me sa ntumi mpo wo dan ni mu a enka me bibia enka ni nyina akọ even aso adanya esi ye dan na chine ba ko ba mu se mu nyina ye ma emu nyina ye ma so meaning say enka me da na beti tensu ani enti we nyina ye ni ma ahodo Nyankopon ye ma nipa ye mfa ye ni ye den enti ye besere na yam pene so Paul kan say mi say na tebia me ko mu no me pene so ma sa tebia no esi ye de bo aseto ene abodwo kire na ye bre ye ho ase e wo situation bia mu Nyankopon ne de odane dane yen sesa be obi a ode kodo enam poso ofeli ni okwa akọ penam go poso no odane dane kodo no sana Nyankopon ye na ade ye nya time ma ye ho no matter what nyame de anim oha na ba but nyame de mde ntia sa oha na ye den
kwada afi na mate ase se after nsuo no anwum we na obo no afi na mate ase kwadwo wutra ye why lucky wedding kunem
my so emotional me wura ho pa me wura ho manka na madada because me hwe baby na me wo e wo gata ne side na mo wo esoro pa no ba ko bra me frɛ wo mo asema mo ka kire me ne sɛ ye kura ye wo soro no ye bibia nka wo ye ne ye wo soro ho no ye bibia ko na mo ho ne de openi untumi nka o se mo ho ne de openi chesa so da na kura na e wa no afa ne nyina nti mo de nka kire kura na wenim inshira bedi juweli ne nyum bi na mesre Ghana fo na ya na sa anwum no muntie pa wato din se apamadaka na enwum ne mu nsem ne se yamma nyame kwan na nyame nane adaka na mayen yamma nyame kwan na Nyankopon nane apam adaka na mayen apam adaka inshira bedi me se wo de yamfa bibi ntu ya brabo so se abrabo na ye bɔ ne ye nim kwan obi na edi anim de yakoro enti se nipa na ma yam panipa no ho nkodi nanim ye ni nachi na ɔno anya den eni anim kakra nkra fa ye nkɔ na metie anwum ne mu nsɛm na me se no yes indeed brana ye bɔ no bra kɔ bra se ye se ye ne ebedi nyame anim di a ye bɛfom kwan enti ye se ye gya ye bi bia ma Nyankopɔn okese na de besi bia no ye nya mu ma no
ye da no
one de onim de wo ye enti was on tuni ka se onyame ye obo ni wiase one ne wati di wo yase
no kre
ono no obo ni wiase o onim de wo ye
onim de wo ye
ni pa won te nyame ase make say obi awade agu won te ase be ma ne be kun ebi anka oba no ka be wo se kan ye kun wonya wa you have no idea
na nyame atwitwa jo
bia wo be komu bia wo ho bibia nyame fa so je wo but ye ni panti won te ase udwatere bi ase waya won te ase nyame nim de nti asisa onim bibi no prepare for something you have no idea yem prete bia so man man kosomai nim se me pam nyame na ebeda na basa kesi edi
kwadwo na ya na abukari autosumi no yanti asem de
dabon hene
wato
twedi ampo yankopon ato nsafre no and ye ka omayimu ahemfa wana mo se fata o maka bie wo ma o ka ho pa ne yempa ebo ne se yankopon na emfa ne sie agya Abraham kukum na onkosoa enya ne kese na be bia da ne kra wo no yankopon onkosoa nkura no so emfa ma daachi bia na oma omi osura hinni kwan ma na de hye mo mpotem ho no omaye basa because pe ada interviews bia mani aboso no utumi say yes omunyina wura ho pa omunyina wura ho na madamfo ba kwata sim diza bra ko bra ko ma yedi ni ama na is so emotional right now na onhu de wonye na so na o kan story bia kire na damfo a en ko ma yedi na fie ha no na sisi obi a Nyankopon na sheda e de na asem e ma say yenka wa hunu nti no Nyankopon ka obi a ho na de ye kan nyina say ya na Abubakar a wotosom yenu ye nyina nso wa obenya kwanya na eja ye nyina mabusua no ne ye dabon krodu ne nyina yakọ ehu nyanti o my Ghana yesebofo baako e na etu ne firi so o man tetere no ye ahemfo ye kan o man tetere pa those days ne Nyankopon de ahemfo na ye ne man yo so wo hwe Bible du mu a na enya asofo Mosiri no na ye ahemfo later part ne Nyankopon yi na difo ene asofo kan wo de ne nke ye kan o man tetere a na nya politicians ya ahemfo
onsa e di for so onsa en sorry bin so Ghana ha no ma one leaders no esa ya ahemfo
oh yeah
and one typical example e Christo asafo and Muzama disco Christo so sa
and then the Church of Pentecost of now no hye pampenifo ya to one say asoro ne ntumi nka say ye nya ya ahemfo no mo mbra na Nyankopon ma so mo mbra ntino for now wo ye ohene a Pentecost asafo no etweben ene ude nkomo ye wo some of yen elders a omo ye ahemfo ebinim eye pastors a omo ye ahemfo wasoro nim ndi asoro no fa wiase nyina no enye se ojabi ndi se no some of the churches no etweben ahemfo nti nka ne papa mu no ahemfo ene asofo a omo ka no kure tie ne ye asofo ne adifo a Nyankopon wesara wo mo so a Nyankopon ka se omo tie enye ekom de wo mo nkofo asofo wo mo hyenkom turo ne ye kan asofo a omama omho kwama nyame e de fa woro so kasa kire ne man ene ahemfo a omo kon no sika nya sika ni bra modwina mo ma ho wono ne Nyankopon do mu bu wiase those days ene ye de ne ye say ye be jama politicians ne ye tene kira hwe it is about time ye mo modern say ye betumi atwe ahemfo ene asofo omo yi sabe omo ama omho kwan nyame do omo ye adwuma ene wo ma omo ye omampanin ni mpanimfo ahodo aka ne mom you will be a funny say core values. Politicians say may that kind of core values. So only ahemfo ne asofo pe. So bi nya asama okosofo nchen. Ofiri sofo na ye obekọ na hene ho. Ana krom opani bi nchen. Onko politician ho.
Obezu babu say sofo su nya asama wan nchen obekọ.
Na ayasem. Sana de netie enti you will be a funny say core values. Ya kacha no say betumi adimu a ye na ma trenkonwa ene asofo ene obeka bo maboa yen. Politicians de ono no wuni say konya obefa so obenya tumi na wo pe. On kind of credential, and that's the reality. And the best way, Niana, who say the idea would be mayan a handful, any a software, one of you must use a
Bible monsono, I him for be one of Moswa, was a swab some. And number one year Ahab.
Yeah.
Oh, here Ahab.
Yankopon also swab some I say, Obebra on say on pen, we ya, Obe Panisho. Tana Yamiti. Or no what in a share to Honor.
Ahab also know your bold pa.
Oh, yeah.
On the wife Jezebel.
Oh, so not to say me what fast faro. On no be bien to me, what done or better than be. Be a baby. What a pumon to be sim. Sanity.
So on your new conyancho.
And idea about Conessa Yankopono. Say, we will be our yes to mana or primo coma. Ya kasi me and Copon primo be a common. Say wa maun why ya so de na traso na wa take advantage of that na wa punish you and intina emra Mosi ene elu ne koyi Israel man odo mu kotwa pokoko no won say do baabi no emra Israel man hu say epo da ho a kobla ne de aba a kire so mu apa mi no masim ni senka esa wosan senior se mente ase still masim akochi won osim de ne siye ene Yankopon ka apo no ye den e kata wo no so enti Yankopon se oye obi a wo ye stop no otufo na wantia opirimu akoma ma akwaso jimi na wafa so apane enti eno so yensua de wom
ana wo hen Solomon so no David Bano no na wo wuska e wo nyansa sa wo girls nso pa
ene o ye no bi pa
pa solo no
isi ye wone ma me ni we atiefo hye no so ye bre ni nti no no kura wo ni se Yankopon yi Obia na odinisi wese me dobani na me da adwuma wo ya hye ne nsa ya obibia ye fa ne se nyame hon konkron ye Holy Spirit no entina nimpa mu nkosi da ebe na adwuma na adwuma wi ayekọ Yankopon ayi nipa ni bi se onipa wo me de na si was for this purpose we ye den untumi nane ye ni nti bon so bi wo no ma wo ye stubborn pa utumi so wo ye sofo nso no ma bi a wo ye no enne na kwam but still Yankopon da so ado no e wo bibia unsunsan so on se do ba bi na ye friend se me wo fa se David mo na so ya den pa o on se de oye nyina Yankopon anka hwe on tere se okofa ono ana ko ayere kan ho a na so ye hye enso ne nyina mu Yankopon aye dan wankuna nto antwene enti yensua de ewom ya me nkonkron betena nipa menu mienu wo hweda bi wo no bo sa fidie wo hu ni se ese se wo do ho manyame ofidi wakai se obi na bo wi ade bi won so be ka se Yankopon kura ni ho utumi se wiase na ye na ewo mi ye wu kura heaven ni baabi sa na ye ba otirim de bi won wakai se no esa medwene ko akire hu ni se na asase ye obi dia enti no nyame nkonkron ntena nipa mu da
kojo back then no uhwe Solomon enye se no wo ye odefo a na ontumi afford sa kind of ladies no wose na ne yire no nko aye 700
enye odefo no nko a na fame no ka ho
fame no so ka ho
enye odefo no nko na obi a ono no ye po obi no wakodi Israel manim akọ na ye nya obi a na that time on
ne yire no 700
na
ne mpra for 300
ne ye emra na ono ohene sola na ono no dakro na no a na man nyina to nwom frɛ no na Goliath pieye na sinia ne hu sheki na David akɔkɔ ntɔkwa di nkonim wonim anwuma ma na to ma no wura fia na ohu ɔse na sora kum na pem na David akum pempem enti sesi ayi Benjamin Asale ɛkɔ world cup no bae no so hu de ɛkɔ so okurum ɔbɔ ha so folk no sɛ ha se kɔbɔ kɔtɔkɔ kɔ hen no ɔba wote sɛ amanfo kɔhia no kwan adentina anani omoko wake up bai kohwe ndra pictures amanfo ni twa
niska ye che
ye fame sa na wiasete sa woda fo ma obi animu ena me no mienu kwa ye bai no bra kobna obi nka wo na mom de bi po be hu sa fidi we benya di bra bi ye mu odu no enipa ni hu opesa at work course o come closer to you ye ne hyehyɛ ye no esoso nipa wa ye yeso woda fo ma obi animu but wo peja wiase nyina be hu atisa se be ya be unuto fom se timeto na se bibia wo fom nyina bonobo sa de te enti nyame nye wadum na wonya fam ne de a sa ne ma we nyina be ka ho empeni zabe se wo wa abura nkokɔ aya na enya wona enti ani bi na na me wo fa se David e ba ya ne fam no mum na be ye kese ya pa na fie japade be ka ho na fidi na se senior be bia wu ama no enti ne de ne sa na ko
kwajo ye ko kindergarten ye ko primary school na poem bi wo ho no ma ye to
o God say
and way a memorable poem pa when I was a poor man my family didn't know me.
Yeah, sure.
When I was a rich man, my family wrote a letter. Go and tell my family that still I'm a poor man.
And it's a very nice way. Poor yes, I know. Young Benjamin, I said, I mean, your friend is in Sudia. It is the same thing. Obia na busua mu no obia nnim se obetuma be bobra and considering the age and he said the oti yemi gbebire kura na yetwetwe no and Benjamin Asare yesi wo hwan wanyini we kura kokora na ade yetwetwe no mo saa the same thing wo hwe e kapobe de keeper ya the same thing asata na wo pe wo ma magide wo work up na ase a yenyini mfiri mu nyame ene ne mmere ne hwehwe ye no bra kobra eye ne hu bibia wo ho obi wo kura o ya akokora na nyame hira no ebi wo no ma obenyine du ni mpeni fie so na nyame hira no enti bibia ebesi bia no wase ekwa abesi nkoma na ye die de ebesi abrabo mu bia na bra kobra wase obi ansusu se Benjamin Asale babia no wo se twokompotem honom ebo ekɔwiase nyina gukansi so kotem na ye ni England abo na ye ni adatim sakese ya bo na Benjamin Asale akobi ono wanka so de no wanwene ho
yes the older the wine the better it tastes
yes
why no e cha
na ne de no ekosoro
pa
nya botrema time ye brebe so
mate kwadwo me da ase papa apa abusu abra so ko wakrata mo bo so na e shaba kwadwo sam bi e de bro kwadwo ubire ni Enquires
Black Obrano pay mena wase na edi kan chiefo fanche na ne nyina ho hia pa yetenasia obia wone de a yedi nkomo a eboa no na esiesie no intifacha yen se yedi kan mabre no edi yanim kan wodwumedi ahodo ano pay yedim na kuwakata ahodo no apa na nsem na wo ne de edoso pa na yebehye ase edi afri okunini eye daily graphic eno ye kuwakata eye oman Ghana menum yenu ye nyina ye dea efise oman Ghana sika yeto ena ban ede hwede ye ho adwuma enti ye ka daily graphic wakrata na eye oman Ghana ye ne yankasa ye dea eti anopei ne mra ne obo no ho no eni o se truth and accuracy every day truth and accuracy every day ne kuwakrata na asomode ba ye eso pani ode eye dabon hina meka sei twidi ampon yankopon ato ne nsa afre na ne wefra ne ntoma tentenemu odupon atutuo na efieja dum na dusinia esoya brefo nkwanche no mekase kobrane akotu ase ama adehia wonom so ne ma bre no wonim nya soafo no ene odikuwakata de mfoni aba in fact no ho afe pa na kuwakata na blofo de ba ye ni o se nation mons yana Abubakar II President Mahama Ekufu Addo Bawumia others pay tribute intimikase de katafeta so eyemienu ene kuwakata de abasai Sembio and Atu main. Na Ghana for Becaya and Fimpim near the new de. Atoyanchama to my Ghana dear, just say, woo no. Efa Brampon near Titri near Nintin Qua or Manium. None wet denny. Every young papa, Daddy Lumba so or my Ghana and penny for don or most more main or Muquina, a print crash and in penny 4 p.m. to 4 p. Your friends, and me, I'm a wafase, the boy can we. O Munako, a Sebgamin Finum. And they say so. Dabon Dabo hene yana Abubakar atosumi no twide yampo yankopon atonsa frɛ na ama o mai matitiru o mo ka bia wo nyina ebobana enti anopai ko akatai ede ho ama ne bo ede aba abeto idwa eno ne yasema anopai so a daily graphic wakata no de mo nsem ebeto idwa na odi wani kire mu ewo bunu east mantem ne mu a enkra efri wa mo ba echire mu akata feta so eduba dumienu we eduba kon rada page 11 ewo daily graphic wakata no ba mane say ubogura mu ewo bono mantem ne mu na bono easter aban ensaka asasetam ekese no ahasa ene edu we ahamiansa ne du 310 acres of government project into we no omanya asasetam kakra aban ede eba beye inyuma kese ewo bono east mantem na boa na de hia mo horo mo nso masetene no mabrabo ne mapa etumi abamu edi amawo enti eno ne nsema no pay no ko wakrata ene fa etoso tubako ewo daily graphic wakrata no edeba ebesom yen na yemfree daily graphic wakrata ne yemfree ani fankire man ewo daily guide ko wakrata no odensempii edi aba abeto idwa na obono homra ne say Ghana's favorite newspaper no din sempi aba abeto edwa na ubehunu openi park ane no na oye kasamafo a na oda Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia ni campaign team na no ewo mfempem yenu na aduonu enan abeto mum sesi ameka say wo so akopre say MPP amayekuru no wono national communication director ono wo pro akopre wakwata no na no meme na etwa mu ina Rokufo eduaduamu ekodo ano ewo di Accra International Airport apepe ni wotu kwan a opa me wo faase Mr. Dennis Miracle aboadwemendra da enyasemkuma MPP amayokuro ma eji boom twede enitwi ekobo dompem ewo roko mpenifo na tena kesi mankra parliament tema enyasemkuma mo kire mpose bi kwa de pepe spray kwa gugu bi ni mani a ne mo awura mpam na wade mo chemse sese no ensem na no aye dene na roko mpenifo ekire ma wanom eden dansa pode insia ana wanom de abo me wofase Miracle aboaje onim me sene ayi no charges na ma wate na wahwem kakra na Ghana for no mesrew edwumadie no live on Facebook and YouTube enti mesrew ba me wofase ma kese ye boss no de atoso enti no ubenya ni nyina bi na watimi ahwem enti de mo kanie de di kan mo kirem sa de me wofase waye nie Omu chirem say conspiracy to steal and stealing. Chese Obia watuwa na montuo bia chese wa krono bem na krono no kra de ogusi kitem den kra. The person you know, using public office for profit. Using public office for profit. Omu chirem say onya kwanya kosomo men na kwanya na wonya ye no okoye no. Otu o my Ghana japade ekwadwiri sika e de agu ono botum a wo men yenya so mfa so bi o man na boka susuru. The person yensa causing financial loss to the state. Wa boga na man ka femfram. The person nine dissipation of public funds. Dissipation of public funds. No. Ye can say Obia watu no boase na ade na woye no kakra na to wete sam. O hyase na eto na eye o man de no de ne nsa kakra ekọ boase e na oyi firim kakra saa na eto no eto apai e na ageta e na wadi to no. Nti aye nsempi a no pemeka se na mu kirem sisi de ageta e ma me wafasi wadi sika ma ye nsempi e wo manyim. Na sanso na mu kirem se defrauding by false pretense. Waye fraka dam wayi nani se bipani bone a se we jane nan wo bomode ayi mframa bedwam asa ade no nim ho hwe. Defrauding by false pretense ene wo bo man fraka dam ene wayi nani ato baabi. The tosunsia omu kirem se ye money laundering ena dia cancel other suspected offenses. Omu kirem se de mo fa no ne to aye shi bruta ntinsempi na ende fru mo ba no pay no kuakrata edin adaso no eye daily guide kuakrata no etimu amanebo ene nsempi na aba abeto edwa eti kuakrata na in fact nsem no ano odene pandemic because yendo na court do beto edwa say wono mamma no eye 50 million Ghana cedis bill enya sika kitua o omu kirem se ka wa ba o man Ghana no kra no eno ne ye 55 million Ghana cedis ne momu no pe na o no omu jare manako kakra na wasan hwehwe ma hwehwe ne nsemu a abodi jaja kwa nya ne kwanti bail condition de ne triso no eye 50 million Ghana cedis ene ye sika omo pese wode beto honom na eja okọ na mu hwehwe ne nsemu wie ne se base ne ho son sa abroba abegini sika ene ho nsem no afin so two surelities anu den eka ho ndran nsem no sa ne kosi yenti miracle tennis aboaje court amane pay no mu de dani triso no onvango ya ekiredin eno asana de asa de aye nsempi ya jeze MPP amuyoko ndi de beta ne free miracle ne sia free miracle so de anese asofo ye ba so ye ntwa hwe se miracle ni free enti hu nyazi betu esika for senshene anameboa de mo se o mu free miracle nti aye nsempi na o mayima anopai katafeta so miensa wo daily guide o de ho amanebo aba abetodwam na sanso na katafeta so nsia o daily guide e bo amane sem eye dabon hina meka sei onka atiasefo hom eye yana Abubakar otoso mienu na mo kirem se wa firi mu e wo South Africa Ghana mampeni ene Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia akane o mampeni be de kire ne otu franka e wo MPP amyokodi ma kwapre e yo mampeni di be yankopon ya atoma emfimpi miene de no eye nwatwa bato mu no mu nyina da abomoden ato ya konsem e de akire na busua ene dabon eye kurodua ne nyina no pay e ho nsem daily guide ne katafeto so nsia wade ho sensem aba betudwa anopai na sanso na kwakata betudwa kirem sem eye okatechie hospitalized under police guide intimika zedie okatechie free famensa nsem twene ana anu na chesa batui asante mantemu amu kirem a okoje ne home na wo nom na etuo pipe no mwepra no odare sabia positive obo no ho ban katafeta so miensa e daily guide no na nda me hu se aso mayi no me hu se nda aso mayi ne ade a te hu sensem na aba no nye easy kra nsem ne de bi wo manyim na ayayompo ayayompo wo manyim na yanko women and leadership ene ye kuwa krata ene nkomodi ani nyina no aya na okasa efa ma ho kuwa krata na mla ne se empower inform and transform ne se ema edikan ye bomu chidom ye wia ne ya boma amane de ekoso ye wia pere asesa mo hyebre ene mo Anidaso nyina mo kama na kuwa krata no nefa etaso mienu ena behu openipo no oye oswafo ohwe oman ya fisem so mekire interior minister oniminyafo Alhaji Muntaka Muhammad Mubarak ono ena ya so ase mahye bedwani wa Sante Mantem na one omampeni ebede chire Professor Jane na opoku agema ono na ye vice president foni da hanom na kwa katana ba mane say vice president commence interior ministry urges greater public engagement. Enti de oka chire nyina ne say omampeni ebede chire say odi kan no obo aso ye hwe oman Ghana ya fisem eso ena wudwumadie so nko amoye ede bo oman ni ahoba monsem na mmom no obetsere se momoden a na muni oman mane nikita ho nya bibia na ye be ni kekekeke ya chew ene that kind of ahunahuna no edu ba bia sensitization ya de hu hia nkyerɛkyerɛ ya tete nipa na kyerɛkyerɛ no ya bode wuruma nipa hu hia sɛ ade we na ɛsɛ we ye na hu so ho ba mo nsɛm bɛ kɔ ankan ya ma wade we ya ubu muna so muna do beto level ne ade na aboa na nipa ni aba no sɛ bɛ ya minor offenses bi wo hɔ akɔbra ne kora nya de onkonko ye bi ntani yɛ nkɔmɔ de da endra da omampeni ebede chire Professor Jane na opoku ageman ode ekokoto aso ehwe oman Ghana ya fisem eso ne yakatafete so emieno ewo women and leadership kwa krata no emu nsem na no pay no ya bo achire ede amawe na yakuanim na ugina mu a ye piem akatafete so miensa ewo women and leadership kwa krata no ba mane say mashebadwane de ma de sha wono wo etiwa east eyem wo faase abana osei asarem na ode ato MPP amanyoko nanim say ubogura mu watiwa east abato mpesi aso a nyakopo ya adom mo ankasa openipa na ogina mu na wono no oye chairman dada masa ato abayi ne kama nti otire mu a obesere ade baako a ohia ni praye wo hwayi wuyi baako firi mu a obetumi abu mu say pain na so ka mu ani buo no aya na mu oden ubu a wo bre pam na sana mpanin say baako fo nsantumi nkata twede ya mponko pon ne baako fo nso wira dura ebegu nti ebehia mo hands nti obesere amanyoko no Obia mfa ne difference nto nkyɛn yenya odoma mo ho munyenya odoma mo ho sɛ mo ye MPP amanyoko ne ma okopre tumi ɛna tumi na wo pɛ no dodo na nto ama ho ɛna wadi ntwo that doesn't mean say wadi nkugo da bi mo wo ko kɛse ɛdɛm anim Nyankopɔn yɛ atoma mfempem mienu ne aduonu enwɔtwe opanima bosom na ɛtɔso nson December 7 2028 mo ni NDC amanyoko ne ekokusi akan sese no nkunim de aba wa wudi nkunim enkohuru de odi ntwo wotu so a odi ntwo emfa de odi nkonim ne ho ahi ne nkokuntia no munyina munya ba ko ne nkopɔ ya dom na abato tamudu na mokoto oman Ghana abato akopetumi akopɔ mampani akunwe ho ɛna ɛsɛ mo kyerɛ mo krache power na moto aba ne say bum 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 edema MPP sɛ bɛ ya nyankopɔ ya dom 2028 abato no bɛkɔ awie no na tumi amopɛ no mo nsa etumi aka no pɛ no ɛho sensem aba abeto idwa na katafata so adonu mienu ba ma ne sɛ enya doni mienu we ye page 4 katafeta so enan ewo women in leadership eba mane say 22-year-old law student eyes Menchia South seat in the 2028 race me fa ase abofra oya abaya afi ne wanya finshi na doni mienu okọ school na emrenim hu school na wokro de din ade nana ajewa kwode bafo boni de din no ano wadene na hwe din na kita na lawyer na oye ne fatana pa na yambetumi ahira no manatumi ditumi no so mfinhia do no minu obeye mrenim ni wose Menchia South akunwa no mahye badwa akunwa no ope entene se nani abre bruta nani abre wanya mfinhia do no minu ditindi nana ajewa kwade bafo boni ye we animu emre ne nkrabia ene nna na bekire sese yi de empenite sabe se atwe ho ye nworo ya yempam ho danta ndi ye ntwen ma no wone hwe ne kase na ewura wi a ebenya ho danta de ayeden e de akata so na de ahye ne kama nti ye hwe animu yambe ya adom na Menchia South beto abana ma no anaso monto no e o mankasa o masema sabe mento aba o Menchia South me meto aba o ye hwe ne se bantama na wala meto aba asenso bo ache me friend ana no me friend wa mfa o ye po a me friend na wa mfa adwuma me di nipa. Now, President Mahama donates reliefs and medical supplies to strengthen healthcare facilities after floods. It make said ye Ghana man penny yam papa John dra many Mahama sign na de ni biu. Ensu agiri fa de ye one crying ene me ahodo ni ntino. O man penny ede akade ene niam beboa ma nipa setinema kon kane. Dodo na akoma ade hia wo ho ka adwamle nsu no to yiri fa wo no mo no. Eno achi nso Omampeni edi nuropi eni akande de Enquires sabia ahodo sebe ya nipa bia ne ho akanyo we hia pomuden no ye betumi aboa na pomuden ho sensem etimi akonkanen ene se ye nsem a ewo kratafeta so nsia na no pay no women and leadership kwa krata no ode mu nsensem eba ebeto edwa me wo fa se la mahye bedwam ene ka eye kwa krata ene de a ode mu nsem nyinaa ode aba abeto edwa na the Ghanaian Times kwa krata no obon homra ne say the most authoritative newspaper na no pay no kwa krata yi eba ma ne bio say overhaul public transport now nation losing over 4 billion yearly to poor system expert. Intamu chirema sisi. Eniama ya kwaso wa Ghana ha no. Aja sabi ye mpanimfo no. Obia huhweo na obakuwa krata no anafo ha no ma obahu se ehyen bi si honom. Nti wo de bla Facebook na fi YouTube ndisa de ye kan uhunu. Na ka na esi ana mo no we trust ni bi. Na de kwaso nie. We sprinter on. Sprinter ni bia. Na omo kirem se we no eye passengers omo ya stranded omo petrotro awa kwame nkroma sekre na be hwe toma omo atwahia ka no ho na emrewa enkokura ene mrante ne nketiasi omo atwahia tese ka ne mu abom bi ne nipa preka no ho se okwam bi mewura makofia enyan na mpanifo kirem se na ye firi hi ne yeduru hi ne hi ne yakoi omai Ghana sei endra mami nkara ho se minkyere wo endra da efiri poku ase ko otumase junction memi wa momole oni misa me nante ne koye endra yanyaka me say if me kodu station na cars na e wo ho no mo no eye kitua bi na keyword da ho no ete say efiri atomic junction eba DLFM Wisconsin ha me na me ka kirewo la ni say ten me gina hodin taxi drivers no bi sa omo so omo ko a efiri ho no mo ko amole no eye 3 cedis almost 20 Ghana cedis yes car no efiri ho kwa na 3 cedis taxi agi wa abro so ay 5 cedis enipo na ba person la ye da ho no da ro be ko bia na eye taxi fo no omo so obaje 20 Ghana cedis endra me nante ye o fa me ye me ho me kodu na ma ye bohu bra so be nden na bi wom approximately more than 3 miles mi twa me de ye me ho na me na mu saa na hweta ma me de pon ne ta me kodu fi a openi enya betewu enti no said your my Ghana wo ba adwuma anopa me bai woni me se mbedu ahamache a me bai asat around by 5 am no na like we da ho ya de faka apa adwuma no ahamache 5 ya to like 10 ya de peka kas na wei na ebani se no man yenya kas emfa adwuma yefo nkwa adwuma na ye adwuma yefo pon yenyi bi nkofie asa omen peninim asa peninim na sa transport ministry no mungu ne da bio esonfa so ne sen sabi mpenin se aboa ne takra na man ho fe na takra bone de afa nyinam den kwatere kwa ye wa so ye hwe o man ga na kwade ba de hu sansam so se ye bebo ne nipa tumi akwa aba ne ye nya ka amfa nipa nko no penin beti office ye tua ne ka bosome emu nyansa ye de ade a ye de ne kwaso o man ni mu no eni ya ka nsem o ya ka akoye kwesi enkwesi kwade nkwada expert bi kirem se o man ye boka afibia 4 billion Ghana cedis eye ka ye bo o man mu ha efa sa ka sa ni panya nkwa adwuma ye bre okuruma no ye lusi approximately 4 billion yearly annually enti mon sempa o chamia ni masamka o sanana wasuma mo pa monfa mo mpenso a ye ne na mu saa o mana be ye jungle ti se wo ko station a obi a o ye yafo no ne ho mo bo che se ahodenfo no kura nya ka o na wa asabi wadi dem wa wo na nya okita crutches opening ho na oboafo awre ho na nkola nketo omu ko school no mu nya ka mfro no maka kwan abatan apemfo o kan bebre pe obedifo be yetamfo amobi that's no credit to emu oya itu ani mre pa na hwe adwumayefo e pre wo kwan ho anso manya ka kofie ne du ahomache a wo pa adwuma the same thing na yetumi mpamp masibre ba ye jane saa ne nyina namu saa wo menum saa keke saa mo ya nanso benden o mabia ye frimu na ochenye osagefo amuatia ofulpeni na wera hopa katafeta so dun son wo the Ghanaian Times ebo amane say ene yapa so no na de nyina dabo hene wefra ne ntoma ne tentere mu yana Abubakar otoso emienu eye ne ya pa Nyankopon fa ne kransi a me ka se osagefo amwatia ofurupeni mama ne yako ne abusuane ne omen ane dabon krodua ne nyina se obia nka frasa ato yanchemi ato omen na the chronicle kuwaka tane den sama ba yenko chronicle kuwaka tanim opemrane kakra na nemrane no mehwe se mehu amama nemrane nie obon ho mrane se spear of the nation nemrane na ba konso say the truth independent ni na ni dia wo the truth independent no we are of spear of the nation ni aka ho na be hu owura bi wa hanam na mu kirem say American blogger commit suicide obisa American blogger commit suicide. Police deploy homicide unit to airport residential area to unravel mystery. Let me take it once again. American blogger commit suicide. Police deploy homicide unit to airport residential area to unravel mystery. It wins them ni. Amo chiremi say airport residential area hono manager say owura bia woye American blogger enipa ye wuwo bia chese obi adwen ho awonte ase ye tie aso nso ayenwe ho na obisa se ono ana hye no ho akonfo ana se wuwe ye binum sa hyase inti apostifo atu ade apostifo ambo kobɔ adwumade akɔ hwem ahu de kode nam so opani efiri mu yaya sa omodwena ho nte ase no ma hwehwem ahu de nti nam so apepai sa konya ofa so wu yi a yadwe ho ayente ase no matumi akɔ hwem ne yahu de kode nam so so no na hye ne ho akonfo ana se nipa bi anafa kuntuna se akodi na wu na mu wiere makata so ɛho nsɛm no ɛyemle ne nkrabea enti emeresem apostifo de ho nsɛm beba enti katafeta so miensa ya sama eso anopai de chronicle ko akata no wate ba ebetu dwa ewo hanom yemfiri ofisensem na aka ada ko akata na ka ho nsɛm dada kaka ka ho nsɛm dada na daybreak e de aba na wochirem se ne afoko ebehia asɛm twerefo ne no wode na koma sa bisade de ato manim efise ono akwa akopere sei national chairmanship race e de ma MPP Paul Afoko nani abere pa Mr Paul Afoko enti ne one sentwerefo behia na ne nkomo wo no de asom wo mo enti mesoma mo akọ wate wo konso ameka kire no ohwew enti sa mechina tum na GJ sentwerefo nkomo mko kire mi sei omo bo aban abaso na mo sanso bo Zoom Lion Ghana ene sentwerefo nyina abaso sei ana no nso atogiri for omanya Ghana mampeni de gyehyepa eba ye sei ana no efiade etwa mu ene oman Ghana nwumaku akese de ntamu abanwuma akese na oman Ghana nkwankwa nwuma akese nyina homa mokuo ma school fo obi antinsi krom ne nkosiesie mo ntene so ne yade na anika ne me na so nso oman ba ne adwuma a wo ye adwadifo obi aka ho a ya yade ma na ya kono enti nsantwerefo nkomonko me wa famade nyina ye president eya Mr Albert Kwabena Dwomfo kirem sei oda mampeni ase won susuru Paul de ba ya ne ya boa makura yi mo ate Zoom Lion Ghana mo ka ho bi na afi nsantwerefo ye te kire Ghana fo nyina na ho ba mo ko ni nyina twidi yampo Yankopon ekonhia so nhyam na de amaye no Yankopon obi hira mpa ma ya de pa no pay ho nsensem aba abeto edwa yenkoyanim yemfiri daybreak efi se emereko nti no yemone tete efi se na so adaje nipo so yonkomo pesi edi na yetumi tenase ne hu de be na the update kuwakata na den samaba the update kuwakata no o den sam aba na ochirema number 1 first witness year statement as court set July 17th for cross examination in men's gold case na sa number 1 asemi so openia cho me wa fa se na hwan me nsa dada samba ko pe men's gold Ghana fo sika kwa share ho no ma ye nsempi bepem nne ekobra sa edi adia omu tiram se openi wa fale witness adansidi mu otu a wode kwa asem ne Nyankopon ya adoma kita wonsa bosima yobone da toso tunson ene da be ne brada wo hom inte ne yedunan ekene be yedunum na ekene wukuada inte yame ya adoma ifia da be ano no be ye kita wonsa bosima yobone da toso yedunson obekwa asem di bia no makoye cross examination ma hwe ni nsem enti number 1 nsem de esere na ane ti ayeso owia nam wa wi owia nam pen wonwi bi da on dakro mema obi owia nam se osi fom na wutwa na chi ese kaka bi wo de sika mbo ho ntwa wo de sika mbo su ka ntwa da ne na mo edene wa wi aposo pen wo wi aposo nso da wo mo fa si wonnim na ma eden wonwi bi da e de aposo pa twintwan papa no wutwene na ma ntwe on de buta ene wa wi na kwakwo so wonwi bi da oh wo fa nim na mpa we mi na wa wi bi da nka enam bi wo kura hu kura nka mfa nya hwe guy rough sha ubenya wunya kra aha fine pa and the aya no Dennis Melakara Boaje granted a year 50 million bail nti yadi kaka ho nsem dada kratafa no pay eno no taso wo kratafa taso miensa wo di update eno ba mane ne ze ne nsem ne dia ye nsem aye yompo manyim yompo sa nyasem keto akra aye bibiri nti nsem ne de ni nyina akoye one way na nti no ko akata ne nsem de doso nanso yenyina so mfansi na me wa woda ba kuminu na me body tel na me source na DJ Hitman the best morning show host international no pay ni nkomo na bed edika no we firimia me wofa me boss ma de nyina Mr Philip Abuaje ono na eye fair group band eye ne dia na okire menne ne babarma Yankopo ya dom ma wode afe ba ko aka ne fie ho ne din ade Darlington nana yaw aseda Abuaje Darlington nana yaw aseda Abuaje ne Yankopon de afe ba ko aka fie ho na ukọ school wo High International Standard School nene ena twede ya mpon Yankopon besa ya dom wa ya dom am wade afe ba ko aka fie ho etimo fa se Darlington nana yaw aseda Abuaje ya mi hira o Oma kwatenten onyini kire eni nyansa mu pie ye mpa ebo ne sei ono twede ye mpo Yankopon a wa kira papa ebia na dwene mu no Yankopon ma onim die mu do a obetumi de asuade ne benu pempenso o man Ghana ye petitiru na nyansafo o madwene mu abobewa ye beba udin aka ho eti happy birthday enkoma me wo fa se a udin eti Darlington nana yaw aseda Abuaje ya menhira opinu a woda no onye ne sronko wei afriwa wo fada Mr Philip Abuaje no se ye fa wodai emfa ma wo metifo ene wo mada busuan nyina se anopei ye ma awoda pa me wo fa se Darlington nana yaw aseda Abuaje uko school High International Standard School ya menhira opim ne kwakura ye birthday no eno ekwadiama me wo fa se ani den ede nana akua de pa Mavis ye member the House of Dear Fan Club na ene na busua ne baba ene edom ne nyina na wofo akire mi se Yankopon de afe ba ko adom no ne wasafeta bi ne Yankopon wantwa na antwene a abusua no eda Yankopon asema ne pa ya menhira no na onya ne kese de mo bompa ya ma ne se onya ne kese mfra adom kwa tenten kokwa mo mpa bia wabo bia no Yankopon tie na sopam na onye mfama no so happy glorious birthday to you my dear Nana Equia Adepa Mavis of House of Dear Fan Club. This is coming from your parents, daughter, siblings, and the entire membership of House of Dear Fan Club. We celebrate you today. I'm going to mention our Pino Awodano on Yanuson Kokra, DJ Hitman, and I'm British Fancy. Najumedia Hodwana Kano, and to us.
Quadro made us a quick commercial break here bar, and that's so home of your Jumedio. Yabetraso, Yabessia.
Anyone make a crack, Namenka, DLFM Plaza Hotels, 171 Trail, Sawo Pebe, meetings, and our conferences are anyhow because DLFM Plaza Hotels, our very spacious conference halls are a state of the art. Say a comdeal, now Pebe, ya, Ubenya Diania, and what de Nemo Sham Napomudi Womwedi, and now Ope and Sapapa, betray Abojunsa, ya, so Bogo Minase, Nipeduemuna by your firm, Anum dia, Measure Baby, said DLFM Plaza Bar and Restaurant. There was swimming pool, gym center, salon, a member, and a man to Mississippi 1 a fair modern event center. Very spacious with a beautiful environment into musical shows, weddings, christenings, parties, and all your refreshment programs. We've got you covered. Memory fee, set weekend piano, live band music. Mikawum, neighbor shake you amoniaje, Ichagusa, the Ofosu Event Center, the Ofosu Plaza Hotels, dear, Dime Papa, in the Padem, dear, Buso, into Saope Hotel accommodation. vacation with a serene environment. Yeah, ubenya wa sumdria. Yeah, be ya punama. Afe ye wa 1-bedroom, any 2-bedroom apartment. Yeah, ubetumini wa busfia abetinem for a limited period. Afe sheshe Dio Fosu Plaza Hotel. Echu akwan ewo obotan so. Any atechem ya ni nyina ewo koforidia. Ebrin so be huye wa hwase. Ye ne fire service station no. Ene di nhwani mu. Se wo kwa denta. Ye wo frafra ubetumi afre yen ewo homa yi so. 0530458834 na 0207979461. Email info@diofosuplazahotel.com. Website www.diofosuplazahotel.com. Diofosu Plaza Hotels, where luxury meets comfort.
Cleanliness is next to godliness. You are right. Yamin Pefi, a fish with the Adiadian nam. So do Hunia, when you get any problem. Cholera Semina, a fina deba. It's a fin quality, and now the solution is here. Lacat Waste Management. Oh, yes, Lacat. Share Lacat Waste Management, providing reliable, sustainable waste management services. Here be Lacat anti-fee into your way you fibia town. Your number one waste management provider. If you and something in our Twitter, Sano Bieka. In fact, the expert in waste disposal Nankasana Abano. A man Fifima Yopo, who fin Wako Awansna, mosquitoes are vanishing, interfering Kakapena away, a finya depa, into Fawababo Lacat Waste Management. Ninkipo Ghana clean, in Fifiamu Estate, stores in Menim, Quinten Bola, Pia Lacat Waste Management, Clan Shabu Shabu, offices, hotels, restaurants, hospitals, Bebia, Lacat Waste Management, a Jumera, Bema Waya clean. Omu trash be near Papa Nibiakasa, size beer muhia, in Ketwa Kessia Kessiamua Kessia, into Fibiamu, estate stores, schools, hotels, churches, factories, Bebia, Lacat Waste Management, oh, management. Now what's for the whole town? At Mubola, same way you may be afa. Sasaya Biwobola, same with Yumanasi, with fleet of compactors, innovative solution on time pickup, app-enabled tracking system with SMS notification partial. Bill lift starting at 65 cedis per bin once a week. Lacat Waste Management. Ewo Hachu, Mabe Junction, near some jail hospital. No. What to me free office number no on
0598 610237
or 0543 190 346 from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Sabekayen. Email yetisian@lacatwaste.com. Payment short code with Momo available. Lacat Waste Management. A Jumara Nankasana Abano. Chroma Yefe in Fifiemwa Yeni. Estate Yopo. Hotels, offices. Jenny Fitun Quantaya Pi. Or be reduce, reuse, recycle. Amaya enjoy better life. Jawabuntin won Fifiemu. Bebia for waste disposal. Ubola garbage no and Hifana Echo. A Lacat Waste Management duty. The services are perfecto. Into the proper waste management. Now to our one. I'm a 1 to 2 boil and good basa.
Comes alive.
FIFA World Cup akansie na dusubiemo deal 106.9 Home of Legends the live commentary ebe bro and to way akwanya sa won so bebo wadwaton de ho dawuro isanse ha no obi ate wonka sika kakra bi na wutua and to won so ye adwumakuo na afa opese wo bon wadwata de ho dawuro a bomade asa obefre 0577475343 DL Passport DLFM World Cup live commentary Joe Ebwede
United States Christian Police Mexico Santiago Jimenez Canada Alfonso Davies Argentina Lionel Messi Brazil Vinicius Jr. France Kylian Mbappe.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
It's a brand new day and time to tune in to your number one breakfast show on DLFM 106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ with your host, the one and only Hitman.
The one and only Hitman. News, interviews, newspaper headlines, current affairs, Monday to Friday from 6 a.m. sharp.
Start your morning right, stay informed, and get inspired. Only on DLFM 106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia.
quasi a bene, why my Obia can say what you mean, no Obia can say what I know, not for quasi a bene, I did when season out, with the dances I do, yeah, miss, yeah, miss, dances I do, yeah, miss, I don't you wait, dances I do, yeah, miss, Santiana, we do. Obema benyan koswa ne floripa Obema bia e bibia ma e yeso no ba pa ne jina na chie Obema ba bana sanye ya ene na wira wow e mano montie ni ya o e ko tie tie grafano me kasa bi ya wodi e wajimi o e bi ya wodi e wa say oda Odesi sando akos wensi sando Yafu aesi sando yansi sanda ye gra mi sa Odesi sando ye mi sa ya mi sa Odesi sando ye mi sa Santiana mi do Odesi sando ye mi sa mi de Odesi sando ye mi sa
Anidaso Wɔhɔ
Fosi usrawari jaya Unya warepa Dobeka sebi ansu anti da obua Emu muse usrawari jaya Enana unya warepa Oba be gra misa Obi be kama kojuna be bisa Adana ujaja oh Adana ukuma be masa
37 minutes after 8 a.m. here. And I saw the biggest breakfast show in the capital. Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia. It's a sad what don't change your style. Be like that. Arapema mini wundin come on. Give a speak up. So premature ejaculation. Be imagine I will not so. To two but into me kumabua. O pompe a cascada. Be ma uya bada bridge. Asa what to cool one. I feel mobia kinkaida. I had you need papa. Alabama men can forgive us speak up so some farm out. Premature ejaculation, sexual weakness, what do you give us speak up sauce. Yeah, they give us coke capsules are very effective for waist pains. Coke why time how what do you give us coke capsules? Give us about me channel so by drum and salt. I support your immune system now. I could see malaria and a fake typhoid. John is in sweet was here. And to Bomodi and Sobema won't say, Akabia. Blackstore pharmaceutical shop will be a benya to friend penny for a day. Nothing won't suma won't say, and come with the air. 0543 222 470. Give us speak up souls. Give us cook up souls. Give us about mission. Arapema men can mineral water from our Lumba super natural mineral water. Come up, I was sashing you one a bottle of hot. You may be a woody upon to be a water. The four banner for one more Suya, 7 Lumba, and supernatural mineral water be a come up. It's pure in every form, just get a grab. Now, Sanka be nothing, you may be a woody, and Enquiries from our supermarket was answer what Lumba super be a while. I will be my be. I was with the Aquacudi Juma was with the dear Lumba in super natural mineral water. 24 0555 2747 57 Lumba in supernatural mineral water. Pure in every form. Just get a grab. One crown in the bottom, you test him there. Medima for her back clinic, got a time that's all. Medima for her back clinic, not bank crying. I was save my ira.
Now for quality healthcare, look no further. Now visit our Accra branch today at Pokuase Mayra for quality healthcare. Dr. Saw Yarena Fi Yaren would be a chia winya yaresa. Last stop no Ayamidima for her back clinic. What time with us up? If you want for time and 2 yadi and so. Namia Dumunti also be yaresa. 40 minutes after 8, I will have what I say. I didn't pense money bar.
Rebecca said, "Be as one tea, the Obia." Emo se usra wargaya, and then I win ya whatever. Oba baby, grab me sa. Obi be from Kojuna baby say. I don't know jaja, I don't know go my baby masa. I don't know go my baby masa. Oba manye so me out. The theater na so wawa. Papa ni dokunya ni wasembia. Papa ni dokuka ni wasamwa. Ya oma ni muswa.
Abeja fatna se na no pay de nkomo no ye de ba. Medical catch you that so join you live on Facebook awoba na wonso wa share link na mofoforo bi nso atumi ahwebia na pay. Na pay ye de empese mu no e de ba. Ana pay sem ho papa e wo se ye di ho nkomo. So woman so be ye se enye ya. Woman for brano and a betre high deal 106.9 megahertz Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia na pay insuraba kwadwo same bi e wa ha kofin so adwani ya na pay ya yede mpensem mu yede discussions no yede bro American candidate so join you live on Facebook I want so wo betumi de comment ato ho ama bibia aye kama na anapay asema edap no so on the 12th of November 2025 and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana, and a Minister of Agriculture, Food and Agriculture, Honorable Eric Opoku, Kumasi Jubilee Park. I had the official launch of the Nkukwan Ketenkete initiative. Now, as someone that empowering farmers
enhancing food security, growing Ghana's poultry industry. Anapa kodwa atenase kodwa fa mic na nkokon nketinketi ehun komono akosisai kodwa ma mintio.
Right, brako brother pebe na na yenche na tiefo mutia no pai.
Tiefo jo super.
Na se de udi kan ye no. Ade bia e de Ghana sika ye ne ade a se o man mpanifo bu hu nkonta e de kire o man Ghana de hye.
Of course.
Say ye obi ankrankra bi botom sika ne ye wo de a nti won ka ho asem kire obi a ye mfa ho na mom se Ghana sika nkuto na ade ye de a na se o man hitumi bubu ni hu nsem se de te. Na ansa na nkokwa nketenkete dwumadi ne ba no Ghana mampeni yan papa hye ye bose dwumadi ode ba no ni nyina ne se wo hwe o man Ghana afibia mu no sika ya de kra enkokɔ force akokɔ force yi edi frama no ne ba o man mu no edoso pa nti e ba ne se ma o man no ye boka buburija ye boka enti ne se koba ne sa na Ghana sika asem no ebeko atia yen ti se ebetena manyimu na yase se sika buburija nte sa akɔkɔfa enkokɔ a ebia kum no wonom de aye aduan mo de di aduan de ahye fridge dada no mo de aba kurum ha na ye yato ewo mra ye nso ye betumi anya enkokɔ ni bi ewo manyimu de a na ehu hia se ye betumi atusa atɔ akɔso akɔfa enkokɔ ne de afia mo ne aba enti ma pani kyerem se sa enkokɔ nketenkete project no eno no ni nyina ne se obeboa na Ghana for beka yo pa ontoma ewo November 12 2025 ewo Santima Ntem Kumasi a eye flagship eye household and backyard poultry production we no baby a wutumi ye no wa won fitiri wudanyachi pe no wa ye ne kama isi de gonde nde jise bi watwa ho mama to fence o modan ho no wo garden kakra bi a wutumi ye ne kama baby a wo bi atumi ye mbi awon pani so de beboa na omen eba ne sa sika hoto a yede kwafa nkokɔ ewa mono ne ba no saa import no kyerem say approximate 95% sika over 300 million US dollars o 300 million and afibia
106.9
yede kwafa nkokɔ foods e de ba Ghana eba na ye ba wie no mapani kyerem say wohwe animu say anya hwe kura no enkopim mfimpim minu ne aduonu enwotwe de na oman Ghana ye kan nkokɔ a ye de ye aduane a mono no ewe nya de ye kuku na hye fridge akokɔ a owo nkwa ne ye beto ye bo ase atwa ne ti ne ye tutu ho atutu na asra ne abasade aye nkwan ani stew ne ye die no mfimpim ne aduonu nwotwe de ebeduru ho ne nya mu oham gichembe de say duosonum 75% ne ye duru ho no mkra na aban hwe ne mu say obetimi acheche nkokɔ no 3 million base ediama efiefie empima dosia 60,000 households across 276 constituencies in nyina oman Ghana abato mpesua so mensina hodo ne nyina no ye kabo ma ne nyina ye ahamienu ne aduosonsia enti omanpenin so obecheche nkokɔ no eye 3 million na efiefie bebodo beye empima dosia na obi abenya nkokɔ ni bia efie ba ku bia benya 50 ni anye won kama na bibia konkan dia ma oman efie ba ku bia ka DJ Omale one na yere wonu benya 50 base na oma yen na Kofi wonu wo yira na se wonu mpona ana wonu abusua wonu abusua fine wakani yipa ono nso on benya 50 base na man yen di Kofi se nya afi na okoto akukofu so abawie obenye no na enie empenifo kyerem say de enti omade ba ye no 1 jobs and nutrition ohun say akukofu so na omade ba no aya na wosunsanso ebi atumi ahye fridge mu sa atwentwam e ma say test bi anim wuwi apomudin bi anim wo hwe no woro sa keke enti ebe ha ya pomudin na de tosum yenu nso adwuma bebam de enti na ebenya adwuma ye na omampani botan ne so obeboa titiri ne mma ani mebuno eni afiefie a edu ba bi omsika semenye no nka aban de boa se ba ya wonom ebetumi enya san adwuma na ayeden aje obu okwa na wadi dem na se nipa no nkokwanyen wo fie wakakra de obetumi aye omenye nuana na ma moa na aboa se ba ya nkokwa na bedo ombeton bi kosua be no maton kosua moton nkokwa yi bi edu baabi na nam ni fie mutumi ku bi de yɛ aduane kama ne ade a sɛ mo hwɛ no mu sɛ ananya hwɛ kwa no 2026 de ɛsɛ ɔman ne nkokɔ a yɛnyɛ wɔ mo no ɛsɛ nya bɛyɛ 18 million base at the end of 2026 per nkɔmɔ ampanifo de baayɛ no ɛnka sɛ mfim pimiɛ ne adonu nsia we nkɔ awieyɛ no nkokɔ na ɛsɛ etumi bɔ ho bɛyɛ de sɛ 18 million base at the end of or by the end of 2026 na mpanifo bɛsi ɛyɛ poultry estate tie ne yo yɛ bɛsi poultry estate enti nkokɔ nketenkete no bɛnya estate papa bi ɛhɔ no mbɛtena omenya estate na nie with 3 million base per facility enti yɛbɛsi si estate kama yɛbɛyɛ ne fine ɛhɔ na nkokɔ no ɛbɛt yɛde wɔn bɛguo enti ɛdan baako bi ɛbɛsi ama nkokɔ no anya hwe kora no nkokɔ bɛyɛ de sɛ 3 million ɛna wɔn bɛda dan baako per facility bi wɔn bɛdam yɛbɛ process bi ɛde bi akɔhyɛ fridge ne adeɛ kama na ɛnka sɛ nkɔpem 2026 October na adwuma wei yɛayɛ na biribi akɔnkane ɛna mebisa me ho sɛ seesei no Ghanafoɔ bɛkae a ana no na senior man de bɛto dwa mea me wɔ faase a Greek minister oniminyamfo awik opoku de bɛto dwa sɛ ɔhɔ no ma no nya ne nteɛ sɛ nipa bi ɛfrɛ no sɛ wɔn abo nkokɔ no yɛde na nyini ba de nya atɔfoɔ ne ade a enti sɛ no yɛahyɛ ase a yɛdi bi a ɛhyɛ ase ɛbɔ nkwan ne ade a ne kɔbra ne tumi kum nkokɔ no bɛyɛ duda kuru because we no ofiri sɛ nama ba fie na size 95 no matwitwa gum ɔmo de gene ɛne ayi nkyene aporo ho na mo de kakodo kakra garlic afa ho ɛne ɔkɔ na kɔbra ne nkokɔ egu na aduane so anya de wade nti a wa mmerɛ ho no wonya anya ban anya ne ka pre ɔde nkokɔ no ma wɔnom enti ɔwe adwene ne ho kra na ɔnabo kan akosi sɛ ɔmo san twa video ɛde nkokɔ na ɔmo de yɛ stew ne nkwan na ɔmo wie no ɔmo de bi asan ne sɛ ɔmo tu aseɛ because ɔmo anya tɔfoɔ wɔ manyim na brakɔbra de ama mani abere kakra ne sɛ ɛyɛ ɔman Ghana ɛto a yɛtua sika ɛna yɛde akɔfa nkokɔ no na yɛde bi ma ɔman Ghana de hye sɛ ɔmo nyɛ wɔnom na afoforo nya adwuma wɔ mu nyɛ na ɔman sika sɛm kɔ nanim ɛnyɛ Ghana man panin sika ɛna ɛyɛ ndisi aban sika na mmom ɛyɛ Ghana ni a wotua to sika de otie mintie ne yie we are not doing politics Ghana ni a wotua to sika no yɛde yɛ adwuma yɛ so Ghana ni enhu ade a yɛde sika na ayɛ ayɛ ɛto otua no ade ama no tua yɛ ne sɛ wuyi sika na wahunu so mfa so a ɛya enti yɛsi yɛyi sika na nya so mfa so na ade ba kwa mbisa me ho sɛ empanifo a no mo da nkokɔ nketenkete project na no hyehyɛ pa bɛ na mo de agu akwan mu de yɛ monitoring and evaluation ya we be fa ne sɛ monitoring bra kɔbla sɛ wo bie company wo bie adwuma na se wamfo ani ani akira adwuma na begu that is a reality nukura wo mu no sɛ wo bie adwuma na wanyo obi amfo ani ani adwuma na chi na wanhwɛ sɛ de adwuma na ekɔ na wan monitor na wo yi wani a wo ba ho so na adwuma no agu ɛsa ne tie na mra mpanifo de nkokɔ ketenkete ɛma Ghana de hye akɔbra ne kɔ a na wakɔgye 50 senior me ma video no mesrɛw fato so ma me
join live on Facebook na bra be video
ɛbɛyɛ ma me sound no na yɛntie ɛmra na Ghana man pani yɛ lunch no na yɛmma nkɔmɔ no mankasa na yɛntie ɔmna okokuma se ɔkɔpa ho ntoma no that was 12 November 2025
right
yɛntie nkɔmɔ Ghana
yɛntie Ghana man pani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama
Nkokɔ project. Next month, we are going to launch the Nkokɔ Nkete project. And so, we are going to build processing plants in different parts of the country. And the first processing plant is going through procurement. And once the procurement authority approves it, we will start to construct it. Other parts of the country would also have processing plants. So when we buy the chicks off you, we'll take them to the processing plants. We'll process the chickens and package them nicely with Nkokɔ Nkete brand on them. And then we'll supply them directly to the supermarkets and to the cold store owners who sell chicken. This will help us to cut our huge poultry import bill. We should be able to produce enough poultry to feed the whole of Ghana. Once the Nkukon Kitinkiti project takes off, we believe that in 3 years, we'll be producing almost 100% of the chicken that we eat in Ghana ourselves. So that we can stop bringing Nkuko Funu from outside. We don't know how those chickens were raised. In many of the countries, they use genetically modified chickens. In many of the countries, they inject the chickens with hormones. We want fresh, Ghanaian grown chicken so that our people can live a healthy life. Every household, every young entrepreneur who signs up, you will identify your site, your chicken house, and then we'll give you the day-old chicks, and we'll also supply you with the feed. We'll also vaccinate the day-old chicks for you. So yours is just to feed them and let them grow. And after the chickens are grown, we will come to your farm and buy all the chickens from you and give you your next set of day-old chicks. Umpe we are now per day.
Ghana man penny His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and I can say was a wumpe way now per day. Kokwan keten no nyanya. The baba 12 free honum. Na fia sama set for you to raise and not niema enkuyi. Wumpe way. Na den kra na ope. Kojo.
Ope kaya motuom. Enti e woman na wode video na to so because kokwan keten na me hu wo no emfe. Na bra ko beneni wotense mo mampani kan yi. Na bo Minister for Food and Agriculture. Oniminyam for Eric Opoku e voice na o say Ghana for na sha ase we nkokọ no. Bo mame. Na yentie do no so kan ne yenwie na memtwa asam ne tia wa hase.
Okay. Right, my yentie the Minister for Agric Ora Eric Opoku Ninkoma Wodiye.
Mr. Chairman, these are some of the stories. Now the difficulty we had with some of the regions, especially in the eastern region. Some of the farmers who benefited called me and said, Honorable, our beds are ready. We are not getting the market. And I said, we can find some market for you. So we spoke to some of the processors. Some of them had to move cars from Accra to some of the regions to go and buy the best. But there are also stories that we can also share. Some also decided to kill and eat all. In fact, they were even sending me videos that, Honorable, we are eating everything. But this is not meant for that immediate consumption. We just wanted people to rear them, sell, and reinvest so that it becomes.
Honorable Minister, that's the trendy story.
Okay, so the Minister for Agric, Honorable Eric Opoku Nsunkoma Ukodi at the floor of Parliament. And no, Kojo Mamitio.
Enti, Rako, but I'm not copy a committee anim na all kinds of way. Unzi or say nkokọ no. Yadema omo se wono mo nyan na enno na omo nsan emfa nhyem. Na nye bebre na omo nton bi afoforo benya adwuma wo ho aiden aye. Ne botaye pa ne se nkokọ aye kra no eso bete ama yen. Na yama na doso ye pekosu anya afi ne ye kra fira mo no ne yaba o manyim. Na Ghana fo omo pe nkokọ ede ye nuane no nsoso no. Omotuma nya bi wo mamu ha ye de no apomuden no be ye fan amaya ye wi a ya pomuden wonsam no be kon kane ena wo kire say no ma hyase omo we nkokọ no omo nyina omo nsan nye reinvestment o omo nya omo wie pe na omo ekun mawe ena mibisa say no e de nhehye pa na empanifo de agwa akwa de ani bedi akira hwese nkokọ na ye de ma de hye yi won mo nkonkọ we nkokọ no bra ko bra na mo bia obetu na de bia wo ye na ye say wunya expertise wunya ne hunim de ne nyansansa waye en minim enipa hodo a mode nkokọ ne ma wonom de enye Obia keke na ese motam akokọ ne ma ne se wonye nkwanyen yo ba ko bra ye wo bia ne nim de ne level ba bia dro bi ho no ma wo de ade hye ne nsase wonkoye a ye nya fofaso Obia na se nkokọ ye mokọ no mokokum wa mu nyina hwe a at the end of the day NDC party moka Ghana man pani moka de otiemi ye na mom Ghana ni na aboka sikani ye to no mo de yesa adwuma no enti sabatam say yam pese ebedu baabi na 2028 beso na Ghana nkokọ nketenkete na wo he a ebe ya asem frama yen ehia yen because me koto aduane last na me ka kira Isaac say ye kwa hye ho no ma enkokɔ force na du ba bia na wi kura den ehun na obenya wukuro ma kokɔ kama ye kunu kama de aye nkwan a wo wi ati taste ehun munye nkokɔ yi ma yen na mun invest na enya dodo no ma hye se ekumwe yei no ma no so yesuba ne sese ye de ade ne hye wonse no pani bia mfene ne ani akira wo ye ne biala ntombawe aka akra bi ohwe mu nya nkokɔ no ebuo ba akokura nkokɔ gum because ni pere bia no mu ye omo de pa ena hye be na omo ye omo kan say ese ye nya market na omo tumi ton so omo nya nkokɔ no mu nyini wie na omo ye reinvestment ne nyina wie na omo nya atofo a eno wo sensem so be nden ntombe kuma hwiara nti ye besere mpedifon fa hye penwu akwan mu mayen wo sa project na ye de Ghana sika na hye mu no ye mpese ebekwa akotoso mienu because omanya bia sipan nya de edikan ne ye nimne ma hodo a aban ba aban kɔ odi sika ebe hye adwumanim ye bewi a they don't account for omo wi a hwete sam na omo kom ba bi na Ghana ni na aboka woni me say e got a point way back 2020 prior to 2024 election nim woni me say aban chiche sika bi okroma obekai yes omo ma amanfo sika bi say omo de bobosia amanfo ko jeje ya madamfo bi kwaji 2000 ebi nya 3000 woni me say omo ntua Ghana fo sika o yes woka obi se ena ade no ena ye de dibi anya hwe Ghana sika ye to sika ese de ko hye ni pakitu ibotom ha yanya ne sa ye de ya de ma benefit the entire nation sane ye no eto ye nye to mfa anye ba bi akeke na ni pakitu abi ena to no be ko wo honom na wo mamu ni nyina abragu ya je to wa se ye de ya de ya Ghana ni be hu ni se mi sika ye chi yi no ye de akwahya manfaso abaso ntime mi tua to anya me ya okọ amono ne mu tua to ahambo de se ntua to bia amono no mu tua to omo wo Canada ene amama hodo so no peni to mu tua no bosom bedu no wakatua na wo je no mache mtu age half ni nyina ye to nko a nanso no enha wo mo because ne ma wo mo hwe animu no mo hunu ne ma pa ye kwaso no ntine ha won okọ adwuma onya kaafo ne ma ketenkete bebre no ne ho nkere no onya access to ye de yi mo je to ni wi a na mo de akwahye baabi mo account for na ni nyina ye nwonran
no omatua foto no tro
na madi ye wi a na oman na boka enti ye besere saa nkokɔ nketenkete project no me edemakoma so sese na ban anya de Ghana sika akohyem enti penifo mo ho moden se mo de o mani bedi project na gi echi ye pa ma yen nkokɔ ne yenya bebre wo manyimu ne ye nkra kame mani baje because nkokɔ na ye kra na me hu nyanse wo me se betena Ghana ha ye kua ne ya kra nkokɔ ye kra bra kɔ na yemade na ntwie tawo na sha fridge baboro eye mfie be ye du ne yakɔ ya bre wa ha ne ye keka wa ha ade adea enti ayadea enkan mi to me wonya diska na kwachima wie enya bad the best ones betumi sustain ni ye be ye ni yene nipa ese omunya somfo na nya somfo edoso na ebusu a Ghana ni koto akokɔ na bo ba fom kama na obi aso anya bia ye den etimi de aye na ade oso ye ntimi de mesra ban monitoring ni evaluation no so ma anya de ankokɔ no mbetu ase Ghana fo no be dikosua no awe nkokɔ ni nyina at the end of the day ye nchi obi ya ade aminim no we ye nkwachi bia nkase ade nkokɔ ma anse kɔyen na nkokɔ no wakuma mu nyina awe nti no come and account for omu mi se obi ahwe na se dada na yamfa so anso nyaman temi de mesere me de ma no usie no mesere ban omba ne ho magense project na ode ne nsa aka no ompani mpa mo ye competent a ombetumi edi akire na aye wo hye se wo bia baje akokɔ na nya wadwen se waje ni free enti na ba de ama okwa enti obetumi de aye de opɛ nhyehyɛ wo ho bo modin se obetumi ahwe ne yiye na omanyini na omani benya so mfaso danse obokɔ kokun ni nyina awe sa na tia de na mo kyekyɛ ma obi ye se mbekuma wede a ene bra ko bena household bi anya bi ana meboa say ye to no mo de ye so if that being the case enkokɔ no ombekuma wede a mo kyekyɛ ma Ghana fo bi anya bi
na according to Ghana mampen na efia bi abenya say
50 best
wanya bi
menya bi
kofi wanya bi menya bi I see right
50 ade no mo ye pilot ne nya de ombe ne dakro pe kakra ade bia wo hya asa na ye no ntontumi emfa enhya ase putupuru omamu ne nyina nto mo hya ase pilot ne kakra no mo hya ase hwese de beko no omagie mu ne mo de kon kakra enti ne ebesere sai ebasa sese ombe kuma wede a omampani mesere ne ekyeche na obi anya bi DJ omale onya ne 50 best ene ono so nya wo mo no nkumbenwe ene ye hu se nyina wibi sante sa pa de a ye make sure say ye de ni di akire ema mfaso aba na Ghana fo nso anya so mfa so na daache ye nkran kokko force e mo manyim
right kwado me da se Kofi fa mic na kokko ketekete wanya bi
Hitman me nya bi na a good initiative ba mobo say bibini debia me kasa asem we say ye be hu say mampani bo ne ho modern bo adwuma na ye ntimamufo no yenso ye kan bi omo metwa no ho ahia eso kan bi ene omo aya form wo aban mu so omo me play major roles ewo aban mu na amamu ne nkoso kama di ye nyina ye den ye kan bi na ekoba se nkokon ketenkete ye tete nkokon ketenkete ewo so obi enya 50 beds meboa household bia efie bia 50 beds na ekoba se 50 beds ya ye te kura mpu no asanda ne politics edane politics su wie so a wo se so ba mfaso no nso so a ye chewe ebi de ye fried rice ebi de ye kan say jollof rice ebi musu de ye nkuma nkwan ne abenkwan ne akokɔ nkwan. Where are we going as a country? Where? Mampenini de waye na afemu dio. Na unsu we. Debi ame ka say he Ghana is too big to the extent say ontimi mfa na ni ntwa ni nyina unhia, but assign the correct people omo be do mo be di etiri abrewa omabrewa account cause o ya de ne trasa ape na wa ma weni endi etira etoba ha esei. And I'm telling you, say Hitman enko say ade ya ye hu ya omotete wi say ya nhwe na mampeni anhwe an resolve eniama bi amfa niama emra engu akwan mu a me say nkokon ketenkete na ebegu me re akokɔ ankasa ye kum no na me re fridge mu de na mu se ye kun ye ho
susu ye wom
difference wom Hitman difference wom big difference crystal clear kwan ni da ho me say Hitman hwɛ se ukum akokɔ na de ye nkwan esono ne sent nko na esono ne wakoto wo store fridge mu de so nko and one flavor ni different yes. Senya ye kum no de ye nkwan a wote sa akokɔ no jim akokɔ na bom ejinem aso de apapon aye nkwan aponche no aponche papa bi na se mo de mampeni supply nkokɔhwan nkokɔ egu wo kama on supply nkokɔ na embo oman no na embo wa nipa mu na mu enye se fa osika koto feed ono aba supply of feed omo aba be hwen nkokɔ no se ne omo nyale enti den na wo pe bibini like Already Africa, Ghana. Then I ope. Near the Kukoni ma nyame adom de on set nya kebia was me tetini mebusu ya fuare. Now ope mani here and as open. And these same people are the same people. Oma betna ye can say media so abase mampeni abase enkrofo ayede ewom. Meanwhile, you people are not helping. From Surukosi from Fitu omo ten kokone ni omo nsaka kokone nyina, they are not helping. Yes, they are not helping. Cause ni ota ade ne dey aye politics and na ni oje so tere. And this ano ye pe emfaso a akokon ketenkete di abro man a emfaso be na omampeni koye account to. Emfaso be we gain nothing. Kosuya common kosuya kran kokoi beto kra. We gain nothing ye nya mu bia. Up to date 50 time I nkuku up to date aman for mo yo mo private poultry na omo supply nkosua e mo man na yeto. Yes, up to date private companies no omo nya nkoko eji nkosua e ton omo no supply man na enye biwe. But mo government dey amamu say obeboa mo obema mu feed mo mfa mu si counter feed onu abema mu feed onu abehwe nkukọ so a problem.
Right.
Why are blacks like that? Hitman me de manu asi
confirm me that kodo
sana mama wa ba mu no ho mesre de enti ama na mani abere ne nyina ne say wo hwe de yakofi kan a ene nkomo aye die nyina na ekokosi monitoring ayese bra kwabra me bi adwuma na me de obi atena no na adwuma na me bi ma nipa na me mfa mani ni akire ehwe de yekoso me di kan aka ebegu and sanity you reality
ayere so ending
what the idea show be nsa na wan fo ani ani akira
obani bia what to na jeje mu
enye obia na owakoma pa what the idea hia ne nsa na wan ni wan fo ani ani akira obani ya ma mako it takes only a few people na mutumi ya sa dodo ne nyina no ohun se ni wura ni hu a oye ne se de ope nti obegu na ma no kura ne de ntia mani abere ne se obeka ya 2013 2014 Guinea Fowl project a Ghana man peni yesen ko woye de otie mi ntie ni ye de amani abere ni nyina ni ye omen ye hrisika multi-million Ghana cedis e wasa investment we hu Guinea Fowl ye rearing project a enu tojo wa Savannah Accelerated Development Authority SADA anka ba yesen ko ye hyehyɛ power Savannah mantem na confirm yanyen wo mo kama e ma dodo na afa ho anyisika e de abobra na omen ye pebi kura de aduane ye nyana fofofo o mem hanom e got a point a aban partner with private company kama so omonya ne fine omba modern disika botene ebe ye 15 million Ghana cedis ekokohie mu so be ye large scale Guinea Fowl confirm farming project e northern region ekodu baabi no hunse me ye pi o manyim bepem ne yentime mu nkonta Ghana sika ekohie mu no e kire din enti yesre wedie aban mu apa na ompeni pa wa mo ani da ho na mo mfa o mani ni akiri woni mi se nkokwanya no je dwumadi a eka kuaye ho eye part of farming eye kuaye ho asam ne ye kan yo enti so obi onni botaye so be ye kua na mo nhye ne mfa akokwa ne ma no it's not about party colors o Ghana ni an kondo so obesi kua na no kondo so be ye mmoa na ma o mase yato mimi tuoi bra ko ma ye mponche ma ye nwan ma ye nkokɔpen aha ne mi ni ba bi a menye ho nti na ma ye din me o mampeni ma mbinne menye nkokɔ ne kama
uni veranda
na me ka kire wo ba fa na bia me won de menya bia metumi anyen se bia me won why spacious enti menya bia metumi anyen o mo simple enti mesre honorable agric minister o ma wo de o ma nkokɔ nketenkete ne bi o ma me 50 bears no na hwe de betumi de aye enti aba mfra ne ne achi ndi sa de a ebe san boka to agu bi o manyim
kwadwo me da se papa pa ye fa course ne kakra 0593 406565 0534 050199 good morning.
Good morning, Mira Hitman.
Arrivals and a pay what promo at the saying.
Yamiadum Namunsu.
Yamiadum Yahuya na Enkokwan Kitty when you be.
Oh, Mira, Mina, oh, Hayo Bifia, Oya Danya Coco. That's the way what to be done. The bomb so share me my offer free US. The year portrait when Nunu who say tam. I didn't present my mayor, not a emissary. A queer for portrait farmers a walk room her. A Mira, first 9 years that farms no nana e woso. Oba temania dia. Vivian farms. Aferwa farms near there. Neni negu. Madam for balcony airport you come tonight. Airport ni yakofa nkukoma. And then kukomba ina bisadana for ye crepsa brutally. Now in kukon ketenkete. Only pa no hanyo bisi. A single room not in a hino or dibu okusi akoye nkuko. And then my offers in when Nuno who say 1 plan US scrambling. And that Labanese Fuenya or Muhu or Memu has it. Now got it and cook on getting the only pan in the baby. Or better I am cook will be see. Mira only I mean you do.
Arrivals and Copon and Council want to pay. Good morning.
My brother around.
We about to just your first saying. Tommy, my meet you.
That initiative, a great minister, the Juma, or none was so because he no far workers in Oye. Na omo yedi down poultry farms no omo de bia mom na mfaso ne ba omo de aba na nye se ye de man Ghana ni se wo kone kokoye na me ho a me ntia se na Ghana ni ye de man no tan kokko no eho adwuma ye din because ye say omo mpesu me madam bi ensakadi oni so de bedu fie nkokko tan no se omo nyina wi dade na because esum no de na kosi
right, Martin, may I say good morning.
Good morning.
Patrick Frosting.
Bedu can change to my community one.
Bedu Ubruni, young quay.
I'm your brain is a moment break. What a moment and Sabaka Sabi do.
Hold on, Bedu. Mama wants so brain, 2 brainy, young quay.
Me do as a pa. Eh, Jabby, doing some say. When you nip about car. Oye Ghanaian, oye CPP ni akoko no wobi. O ma kuma ku 50. or FGP near and Cocono Bakumaku 50. When you uncle for me. One Chenko Magana 4 or Chenko my NDC 4. And NDC 4 be so my year you have to 4. Also, Kumuria. Gama, the voice of a boy, and some more, I say, or the man who the 34 for sure woman near the idea. High native about the upper sub, Panacono, the 34 o'clock of calling me so my pum the air. Oh, man, if you was saying no.
You.
One can confirm. I'm a confirmed young coachman.
But I don't want to be no, but I say, good morning.
Good morning, me Hitman.
Maybe I show your frost or suffering here.
And you mean suffering so one blue sky.
And you mean my minty wanna pay.
The patrol, me business Obia on name farming, on name free about agri sector. The Akukomano, or the bay again, or the bay on coin. But Obia on name the beef farming, whom the man on him son of the Coradiano, only Radia Juma.
Mate, me that's papa. Good morning.
Good morning, Hitman.
What's that?
Hitman, I mean, Shaman, my pap, more by my Damase. Hitman, me the answer, Sam Kukona, the man for some when you're mono. Thank you, so be an ID card, the back. Near which away your money be where your money business, the more business, any panel, say China won't buy, say Abia, you or Bajibia, who basically then we say 1 man be now, 1 man be. You didn't come on in Kukona assemblies. Assemblies will be our assassin. Near charm or Muntu here business or Obia, Okowan or Akotobi no area. No, there are more be our Maya County. In a Ghana scan, yes, and Nadia, yes, because their mouth. What you work on Mary? She said, there, or more work on Mary, I know. Yes, Rome, I want to tell you, dear man, yes, young Quam, you never must say, they've been better be a Quam, Mary, they've been soon, Hitman, Yamin Shaman, my farm.
Matime das papa. Good morning.
Good morning.
About your frost.
Papa number 1 Kaswa.
Mammy, you want to pay.
Masa woman punu wa ya de pa be sometimes na asa na so ode wo ko fan confirm aba mo motu akobokina wo de aba ma kokko de ma nna mo ka no po nipa ba ko timi twa no de twa na num Ghana ska obi ba kwa kwasua de woni triso akwa kochi obanye ode betu attack na nipa ba ko fo no te ho edi masa yan show ma ni yen yesa de bia e be gina class 1 sa yakopon ka mo hoy
Ankopon anka won so ho anop. Thank you so much for calling. Good morning.
Good morning, Kwamara.
Auntie Maggie, owom ye maminti wanna pay.
Yo, anope ma badwuma. Me chi asameni kofi. Anope asamu asameni kofi kan ne kwa so a. Onu sam kokwa na wo de ma won no. Nimdie bia ni hu a won wo. A won de benye sa nkokọ no. Hwe poultry farm fui. Won bobuo kase na won de won agum na asoso nkane ane nema ade asisi won so. Sa brofo nkokọ yi. Wo de ma won a efa adewu. Into ono wo ye nkokọ no na se nkokọ ni bewu a won tena wo se nkokọ ni mu won be kumare enti eso nya nimdiefo a won nim ho adwuma na won wa kyerɛkyerɛ won ekwan a won de nkokọ ni be fa so ama nkokọ no won atimi ayen na wo sɔre na wa frɛ party ba se beji nkokọ 50 koyen a we adwuma a wo de ama no nkokọ nketenkete no we solve Ghana problem o sikase ya no won se no media de American say won nie factory
Auntie Maggie nkokọ no wanya bi
meda me de kwan me fie me ntime nya akokọ me ya na me wo me dan so me nya akokọ ya tamahe obi nya na me nkopedi nto no nso na dwuma ekoso media me nya akokọ wo me fie obetena me fie kura me ma anya akokọ ti same a wo pe 50 no wono asi ne dan de a wonye no mfa nkogum efie wura bi wo wa wo ma anya akokọ fa le bra Evans no wo kan me nkokọ toilet ni ade me ma fa na israsra me fie enti me die ompe onwa wo nimu die na won fa nkokọ ne hye won sa no won nye ti se poultry pharmacy fo akese no de ma won wa na wo de measures ato ho oye na ye yi a wo percentage ye say I won also dey ye say na what is some boys ya won de won come na di won enya de a won betini de aye adwuma ena kwamna mesere wani diem ball bi esum okan si bicycle lane ye ti got animu wie ni nyina da susu o adan na on petrack kese na se fu ekra na mo nya scanto a wo de store bia ma wo 10 Ghana mo betime de atofu wala gum akosesa ball an me pa cho ma onkrofo ni bi ntwankyerɛ eguba skill junction ne so
right you be too one
ne se ede ebosom ne si ho me sra wani di ka current me fa ho
right mate antima ge be too one no nyankopon enka wonso ho na pay good morning me ba ye first me ba che ho ye pa
okay
aguna nkum ochre ma menti wana pay ma menti o
ya ni sha wai ya ko fi ya ni sha ndo ya ko fi ibi abokode ade ya mi afi wofa kakra me pese me kan se sanko kwantiti na kasa no mo ye negation yi ye gana fu na NDC fu na kasa no wode ma ho ni komi komisi ni hu obi a we ni beto bi be bi na NDC wale executive no nti on pay mon kase NDC fu ye ma wo
no pa de wo kan it is alleged ye ningi na so achesa
ye ni hu no na no di wa dance me o kire because obi nkumi a won say MPP ni bia na say CDP ni bia nti won pay mon kase ye member na wodi adwuma mammo no mun ye ni wan yon begu yan kase ye ni ma se ti e say na free na wodi ma ho a we hu ye wan kasa wo member na wodi ade ne ma ho a wan ye ni ye da wase
okay right mate me da se pass won so watumi afre anapay good morning
Patrick
Frosay
a friend auntie am free to come to two
yeah auntie am wo bidi ni yonkoi
asemo papa miss let me be say brana yare ye bayi ye first Ghana yare ye bayi corona bayi and say me for vaccine
COVID bayi
mesre senka abrofo dread ma ono mutumi dinya nyansa de ye ne o ma no so betimi aba ne vaccine am Ghana no more wo ye bi na ya dwen asesa anka be de nyankopon ase
sasai
Ghana ya dwen ye de nam ne enye o adwen ekuta ye wo Ghana no papa enye in the sense say oni pada se nimpa sa manu mu chef bottle no ese me na omo boaboa no wo miamia esesa hwe na se enhwe yiri ye ye de ni nyina be kokotete aso aban aye nimpa ana no me ka se me bola be 2 months na kama me boaboa no na me koto be shit e be kata so si ho until say no bola ka by for 2 months now enti say be nya duro bia wo yen ama say nyam peni for yen na se nkwala eba no on be nya duro bi dia wo ti say on ko wenye de be mo won no mo ye sa ya adwen na adwen ekuta Ghana na ye de boy ye bra no enye papa
okay right mate me da se papa say won so watumi afre anopay na won so wode wadwen twe e dia ba ma me mfa we am say or try so be fra but into me ba good morning
big man morning
Patrick Frosay
from me Paul
mama nti wanopay
on the point them that's discussion is very very important na me person mama simata create bi na problem e o Ghana hanu say amanyofo any yes ye to aba no say oko wiase ba bia ye nchen kokko ma citizens obi an kwanye ba bia obeko bia no what they do ni say anka ye mama no di kan no e betwa bu kan no ye identify e bia akra hanu say enkoko ahina yehia like port ahina yehia they feed amount for Accra ebia ye pay 2,000 beds every week and that's a 50,000 bed every week so 50,000 bed every week you be to identify poultry farmers pay 50 per ama every week be o produce sa enkoko no sa poultry farmers on be produce no omu wi a enye omu na e ba beton market o abans betimi anya obi a ye from medi ma ombe kosa poultry farmer ne ho no no so akwa nkoko na ye ku omu no e de omu aba market odi omu free market ya enye omu na baba beton ama obi a nkofo bi so market ya omu so mbeji o market ho na omu baba beton awe ne so aba beton
right
it will be say at the end of the day no ya chiche at the end mama there's always demand supply obi
pharmacy ya brenti pharmacy
mate ya nyane sa de ya anyway the fallacy ever go baby ya
mate me da papa thank you so much for calling good morning
demand supply pharmacy
me patcho hold on okay mama far away good morning
hello good morning back over
Pacho wani.
Welcome, Pacho. From Silver Lady.
Hey, Patupa. Yeah. Madi na netisano pay.
Yami adum brakabrabe hoye pa na Pacho boso e.
Yami adum yesu ye ho ye papa. No pe mami ntio. Nkukon kete ho asem ne ka.
I am really enjoying the conversation, and I'm saying no. Let me just call and also chip in kakra. I think Sagana and Kasano, your problem mostly in Ankasano. The mindset, no, it's our mindset, no, pain p, and no editia, said the name Brian can. It's a matter of identifying the farmers who are into it. Ebenezer na Mama Magika say, on only fear on my crime, I won't bambe and cocoa on if you know. So those who are already in it, now your name say one more year, they are struggling with finances and other things. No, they are the ones we should identify and then help push them to do it and do it more. Sincerely speaking, I went to the supermarket yesterday, and when you say kukwana ewa say na after the day's work, they are they take everything back and they bring a new set the next day. Yes.
Wow.
They take everything back. Yeah. They reduce the cost. So those who want to buy later in the evening now, open in terms of open low price. No, you go, you take it, and then kind of now or no maybe now. As I went to the supermarket last night, and I went late. So I went for a walk, and I decided to pass by the supermarket, and I went there because they were actually clearing the shelves. You see, they know that it is not the best for the consumption of humans. And after, they will definitely no, they will definitely take it out. What I'm saying is, politics, no, and your politicians, or more, into those we know, but this could have been a very good social intervention. To say the free senior high school buy a boa, to say the NHIS buy a neboa Obia. It could have helped a lot of people. In fact, all of us in the whole. But because of politics, mindset, and then the measurement could be or Betty was saying, you, or Benyan so, or Benyan aware, instead of so being to send an akufika, or Benyan bedu baby a bit me, a tone, a bit me. I mean, back of my phone see. We get to be coming in and the for maybe I say to us.
Several lady, Papa, Pana, morning show to me, my antiwonka, Mantonka. Ye contasso.
Enjoying you guys. God bless you.
Thank you so much for calling.
Right,
but thank you so much for calling into the show, Silver Lady Patupa. Good morning.
Morning, DJ Hitman.
Pacho Ma Cassandra and
Me pacha nana bomoni o.
Nana mami ntiwa no pay.
Me pacha Silver Lady me ma utrim ko sana pe ya to nka. Igwadi nka ho no mo ho ban. Bra. Enkukoni nsem no. Ye ti baby ye nya bi o. Ye watase wo ye den ti betumi anya bi. Ni ya hwesu ye. Na obi so beto bi. No so me ji wo se okowe a na otumi awi ni ye ja force yi. Ye che ye yanka ye. Yes, we know what Ghana ha. Me krom was a kuchiasi, a dear ruho. And so some men ho. Our shot so. Ya many dear yano. You are temple yaman and call for. Mestre, or Bamping, or ya dear na. On shen ye, Mamma, yes, or call a fence a fanquala, on money na so. Neso be so, but who can benya? Now, but yes, you see, never saw the soa, a baboa. Essence say, but who for the Jacob would see, no, they tell you warrior. No, you also such a picture. No, yes, sir. Now, say, what for being no more dimping for it's a miss, my penny. On sending so be also. Yes, your man back.
Right, yeah, that's Nana Bomosa wants to work to me a fair and pay. Good morning.
Yes, I'll say good morning.
Dixon, Bada Kuka Kujeji, Maminti Wanope.
I'm a penny museum. That was my family, Mount Ghana, and the keys to. Yes, in Kokon. Hitman, still say, I bring the Banoy to get that. The politics. I didn't get the class as I'm now. We want to get what they call dispute assembly. Now the Ghana card and what particulars. I want fairly ammo. But if I say, you need to get an argument switching. Young Copon as such a burning tea. You will be in Kokon and get an answer another this school free education, but not building me and ye. That's an one that the video say enya adwuma nti sa ade nya adwuma ade na ba wonam he akwaje me nya bi but me hu ne se ba bia me won me ntimi nya nkokon katenkate ntimi nya dai me nkwaje ma e yen hawo
Mate me da se papa yemfa we. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Gideon Berma Santi Mamintio, final caller.
Hitman.
Yes, sir.
Equal.
Yeah, Eja.
I mean, come on, any munu dia mo di DLFM. Me patcho me de minimo. Ne mo ni nchira me. Babia enkoko a o mampani e de ma enkoko marketing kitino. Me wo cage. Me pebe 2500 abegu mu aton. Nye oni baby ebi wono on chawe na me nkonko tobi emeton na project na mampani de baaye no adwuma na ntimi enkoso sane ebe ya ebe koso ama yankokra enkoko ni bi na me sama bisa se enkoko no womo eyen no edi na di akire ye de ma wasa ben de ka kire o ye na kumuwe ama se ye na yambra metonton na munsanye fufura na munsanye eno ani se dase bre mbe dase ani asisa ye nkrowa enti asambe pa ne tachiri omo eyen enkoko no minister na ede mo se omunye ne yambra sankoton ana omunye no omunye sabe obi ne wa woni masie o enti no wa woni no wa kire ye se o se munye na munye ana munye na munton
right
ni emfasika ni santo fufuro nyan
okay
adi almasika ni yetubuse adi amawusam brand
Mate Gideon Berma Santi yeda se papa pasa unso watumi a friend 31 minutes after 9 a.m. here and this is the biggest breakfast show in the capital Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia kwajo yebra so Ghana for akasa and the topic way I think say was here saba na yede part 2 ebe som Ghana for we will speak to some of the poultry farmers na fe wo hawa wo mo famu wo ma wo manya nkokon kitinkiti bi o mo challenges na fe yedi sankomo no kwajo ma mitio
we bra ko bra ne atiefo ase na Gideon Berma Asante so tie ye from day one a mi kire mu o mampeni bota ne se wa won sabe kan bi no benyen na wa ma ase atre na ebi ma beto bi akwaye wonu mu nuane ebi mba befa bi akwanyen ebi no ma beto kusua ni nyina ye source of income awo a wonyan wo benya and aside that ne so no ebi nim so benya adwuma wo ho ayeden aye dian o mampeni anya ne hyehyɛ se edi ya obawi bidie nanso no wankase mu nkokum nkokɔ no nwe na mo nhyiase eno nya botaye o mampeni edi hyehyɛ wi bae mede ma no sie na me kro no bra ko bade meka ne se anka na papa mu no se de ne me bra bi beka ye no to me kra bo so sankombe timi identify some of the regions ni bi ho no benya asase kama na nka o maye national project na nka aban o maye state farms na nka aban ahyada fa nipa o moye competent anka o betumi ayeden ahweso no maye ni yie nti obi pe bia wakoto bi wo honom yebenya tofo akoho ombefa Ghana fo adwuma aban na nkasa betua omoka ebenye peni obeda no na nka ye kama
na wotie the silver lady kan ya baby owo sisi ai oko supermarket a de ba ene no
yekum ne ne e de bre wo na
supermarket wo mo kla ni nyina
fro ya hadie ebi a hye fridge mbebodo be 10 years yere oh yes uto akukọ ni bi
akukọ fos
me na o se wokọ kwa ho ko aduane some of the restaurant ni bi openi me se wo we akukọ na utumi se we de se be yesi ni duawa ai di yesim yes there's no taste
as a trap here
I'm telling you say me wa fa say DJ Malorim de make we dey bisa no de oni say na say ye kwa no akukọ kra mpese obeje kra che se unhuni say ye nam na wo we openi say de wanim si akeke e de adea kokọ dade ya ne ya emwaye ntime de mesra ban say de Ghana fo ahya ase no mbegu adwuma no enti wo pa nkokọ no de wagya mu kɔ no so ontumi njeje ne baaka ma ne mfa bi nkomo mbio ne wɔn no mpa baabi o mbetumi anya nsase a aba ne bɛyɛ ne state farms no wɔn peni pom betumi ada no ahwɛ ne yie no mo mfa adwumayefo wɔ mu na aba ne ntua ɔmo ka na ɔmo nya aban adwumayefo ɛno bɛboa na ɔmo anya so mfa so dan sɛ yɛde ma nkwankorafo zɛ de yakɔ peni wɔn meku ne nyina we a ɔmo bɛbɔ ka framfram enti ɛhɔ na mede ma no besie na agoda ba ko bi kamu ha DJ Boame
tifro
na me wa fa se ba kwa ne dende Amisa Pyros ana Pyros Amisa oye CEO de ma Pyros Enterprise ena ne Yankopon de afe ba ko aka ne fie hom enti e ma na happy birthday na omu kire mi say may the Almighty God bless your new age with good health, greater success, more wealth and endless celebrations. May all your dreams and aspirations come to pass. Best wishes we every year combat and was saying for that's on Kokram. A man of us say Eminsa Pyros. Our no yes chief executive officer at the Mapios Enterprise. I mentioned upon our dano on Yenison Kokram. Nedicatu no Equadiama Emanuela was say Emanuela was say on no or AFE yase na Mpaba Yabaman in may God Almighty continue to bless you. It gives you more wisdom and extend your years to long life in good health. I mean, yes, in good health. Age gracefully. Ella, Yamin Shirao P. Way every copy. Our year Juma with Sika FM. Then you were with him. Sika FM. Oh, Kumase. A Tum Hodoma. And which him say, Nadia, you Manuela or say, what if yes, Yamedia Fiba Quakamfi and Mama Pomudane and Quatentin Yans and Media Muto. And who come Pebe and go pointing us from Juno. Happy birthday once again to you. Emanuela was saying, Yamin Shirao Pino Wadano. On Yaneson. What the end copy our year Juma with Sika FM. Oh, Kumase. No see him far with day. Emma.
Right. Could you make that say? Go for quick one after you. Sorry.
Hitman Yeku Namitia, Silver Lady Antiama. Mama Kai those days. Greetings from abroad.
What kind of greetings?
Greetings from abroad. Yes. I'm an India. And then
was sending me a message to see ya. Or some country Musano paid you Mubedina. No.
No
message was sent
message and I say settings. We just want to be clear.
No settings.
There are settings as to your front.
Hold on, Kojo.
Yeah, need to so. Did your man on tour on
obesity do matwa. Asama tie me ba asama ye kano. Silver Lady Nankasa. Otie message what the abane say morning show team no ma mo ha nyina na no pay
we morning show team
yes 5k
won't be bad.
Yeah, 5,000.
5k won't be bad.
I don't know what the call honum sikanu ma. Aya kakra bi. Boni be say aya infinitesimal.
It is all
infinitesimal. Aya kete. And no several ladies are not pay. Mo breakfast no.
Ne antiam ayi ye na na.
They say
in advance.
Aya pon. And no or say the mo be dia no pay no. E da na bem. And no ye na na se na fe ye na ni wura so ase.
Husband, our husband.
About to try to remember them. In chair acquaintance so no. Baby Obia all the way.
Oh,
we are far country into ya.
Messi baby Obia no.
Your boss with Dean Manka country.
Acontadino. Ora Jante.
Mr. Jante. One Mrs. Jante. Eddie Tiamo. Niantiama ye. Councilor mi bolu man su pass ni di eni monyam. Nyango ponye ne ke.
Confirm that say papa.
Mi wie nyabotre. E dia. Bo birthday bi o say me me international lady. O say me any birthday. Happy birthday kesi enkoma Lady Boyman. Yes, Lady Boyman Hitman. Utimi hu. Say ni dini no honam se. Lady Boyman. Nyango ponye ne kesi all the way in obi amanone. All the way in amanone. Yes. All the way na manone. All the way no. Nyango ponye ne kese no yini fra adum kwa adum. Nyame enye na kuma so ade nyina de ema no. I remember my birthday this year. Oyemi show. Yes, Oyemi show. Nyango Oyemi show. Oyemi show. Oyemi show. The biggest one of my best live streamer I'm here. Oyemi show papa nyanko ponye ne kese tunyo fra adum kwa adum. Yes, Lady Boyma. Yes
nadam for pa.
Yes ma me mini papa
you mate
nyanko ponye ne kese. Amen twaso.
Right yeah that's ya braso was here kwa na pa minchia Echo Penguin Atkins and pay Sabo na dodo na atafro na pay Michia papa Echo Penguin and pay woni wadwuma for any abusuani na special good morning and confirm well. Thank you so much for being part of the show. The very good act of being a good guest is to know when to say goodbye. So like I say, and come executive producer in Shraba Kojo Samme B and pay anopeye dana se papa besma kedu se agudie mu nsema anopeye wode bai ora Michael se okocha if you run a man friend no Kofi Taylor ana fe DJ Mario ora Samuel Kojo Akwazigi B anopeye dana se papa from Hitman. Good morning and enjoy the rest of our program. See you call